Good morning. How you feeling? On the irie? How do you feel away? How do you feeling? Shadow start. 40 days and 40 nights. Oh, now go on with the night morning, yeah. Latte, Shadow start. Always so wicked in our life, man. Shadow start. We're too wicked, you know. We're too wicked. Because look on the time of the morning and the whole of week up over Queenie live, 1,000 other week, John star. One thing more I tell you now. If a cake make Queenie I go on so. If it's a cake, can remember you know, all the way post is a cake. Rough house, originally would call Wayne Head. Lord of His mercy. Where you say, where am I? I'm here. May I tell you no say paper, if I one cake, one will you marry me cake, and Queenie come out as strong, you know star. Queenie go live yesterday, Queenie go live last night, Queenie go live this morning. Queenie says she now stop haunting, you know, rough. But I don't really want to talk to you about still. You know, more time I have to come on and go on with a little thing. I have to make me on a little reason in the early morning. Yeah. So when I say the whole place done Sodom and Gomorrah. When I say morals gone under the ground. I remember say it mixed up with old people and young people. Channel star. One time gone, you know, you'd have to imagine something. Can remember when I was all a youth, me used to have to buy the true confession book. And I hear, like, you know, I imagine the things and with the people them saying the true confession book. Remember that book that them used to sell almost 2 bills did feature. I'm not 1990 something, 2 bills it used to sell for what. And we used to buy that every week because you want to hear Wagwan, oh people like festive. No. We have to do this over TikTok or go over Instagram and we get a whole epistle. Big up all who still have your morals, big up all who still value yourself, big up all who still have like a self-respect. Big up on yourself who still have it. Because I'm not telling a lie. Some things when I see now, like, nothing left for the naked eye. Nothing left for the naked eye. See, everything now is like, it's the norm. So it's like, remember say the first thing, you know. When you hear them start say when you're 30, you're old boy or you're old girl. So that means that when time you reach 40 and 50, you're a dinosaur. See? Everything enough for we still, you know. Everything enough for we. But somehow the need for us. Hold it back a little bit. All me can tell you, say, anybody where I bring a little youth now, or have a teenager grow now, please for sit down and talk to them. You have to be them guidance because we allow social media to take over the whole of the pitney them now. Remember, just like how we can go up on TikTok, remember every pitney have TikTok. See? Every pitney have TikTok. So if you have a little young youth, do me I beg you. Sit down with your youth, tell your youth say, them to have values, teach them how to satisfy. Because yes, when them can't satisfy, I remember this popularity bring out the worst out of enough people. Popularity make you see people true colors because people are run down followers and think of fame that.
Because people have only 100,000 followers or even 50,000 followers and them say them famous. But famous for what? What are you famous for? We don't see where famous people there. P. Diddy famous and all kind of things are reaching right now. People just put out every day somebody come out and say, them must sue him for this and them must sue him for that. Famous people, they in the media every day. And it's always for the wrong reason and not for a good reason when you're famous. So all me I try to tell you say, do me I beg you teach on a little you them for wallet. Teach a little son and your little daughter for wallet. And that alone me can't tell you no. I have to teach on a son and a daughter for wallet. Satisfy. And everyone away. Remember, you know, thank God for Sheen. Thank God for Timo away at one. Thank God for them place there. Because at first, I was the name brand I get to the people. But now, I followers I get to people now and social media hype. Remember, say, everybody have them 5 minutes, you know. So one video with one big woman. Remember, she are here grey and her head ball. I remember say when you go up on her page, I be a sucking she talk about. Be a sucking. Like, for all a girl whenever I'll do the sucking yet. It's like, them suck off the whole light and left her. Because true she not do it yet, them just suck off the whole light and it just come right down. But, the main thing, when me I try to make you know, say, your privacy, don't give up your privacy. Because once you give up your privacy, like when you look on the internet now, remember saying a privacy that, you know, that is for the public. Don't give up your privacy. Chug it. Big respect. Remember, your privacy is very important. Your privacy is very important. Don't give up your privacy. Just like your independency. Don't give up your independency. I know enough I want to sit down and wait for a breakthrough. But sometimes, when you work hard feet, you value it more. Somehow no think says a girl I go on a breakthrough, and somehow no think is a man I go on a breakthrough. Somehow not like, you know, sometimes you at some place you hear some people say, oh, you think me have to work? Anybody where you say them not for work. Everybody have to work. You have to do something. When I come on this for bash nobody, I just step on the internet and me I watch and me I look and me I pick out and me I say, damn. Then she and a 38 and go through so much experience sexually she go through. So much, and she not reached 30 yet. She don't have a child yet. She don't have this yet. She don't have that yet. And experience so much and is so proud of it. Some video when I see on the internet or some people are talk about them life experience in the nasty world. Remember, I never ask for it just come right in front of me. So I never ask for it just come right in front of me. And when I hear it, I say, wow. Damn. People must know that social media is a place where it's supposed to be socializing and you meet and greet people, but then people where me I see right now, like and the younger generation does do something. Remember what year was the Mali? Everybody had talk about Mali this and Mali that. Come like it past Mali and now. I see all the next video where. Remember, you know, where you like or where you like. You understand? But the world don't need to see it. The world don't need to see it. See a video where one girl, a man a piss on her. One time gone out with her. Me used to hear it in a song. But for I really visualize it now and I see it like young girl and the man a piss on her and she like it. And I said, damn. Now when that video they go out now, remember what the other people are going to try it because remember say enough of these girls with a lot of followers, they call themselves influencers. You understand? So, the influence where I come off on the media, you have to talk to your youth them. Talk to your youth them. Talk to your youth them because everything now is Like the internet I make it more comfortable for accept. The internet I make it more comfortable now for accept. See? And me I see it and me I say, Jano Star, remember you know, your private life should be a private life. You don't have to bring it to the internet. But it don't look good out there. It don't look good out there at all. Big up all who are over 35 and still have little morals left. Big up all who don't fuck out and suck out yet. Big up all who still have one little thing boy. You understand? You're not trying to indulge in every part of sexual acts. And you're not trying to do certain things for money. Because remember them tell us that money is the root of all evil. But I'm only show you people true intention. You understand? Good morning again, who just join in. It's a thing where us go on and it's wicked. And the next video when I see what disturb me. And a video that disturb me. Wicked. Or the video with the pastor man and the woman. It disturbed me. Because when I see that video, I say, remember the young people them here. And the video there, yes, we're glad it come out for we see it, but it shouldn't even come out. Because that should have been quelled and squashed. People should have intervened long time and don't make it escalate to the party. Because the woman that was there behind the camera with a video, it never video with a good intention. And the pastor man flew up in the woman's face because she talked to him. And remember, so she never dissed him nor nothing. She just said, when I get my money in here. And when he say, when I get my money, him going in a different mood. Leave and go to hell. Leave and go to hell. It's like him getting a rage when time just say, when I get my money. See? And the man and Glar and deal with her away, and two wrongs never make a right. I don't know how it start. But it shouldn't go like how it go, because remember this is a grown woman. And it's like them make a macro out of the woman. Remember so she have family, you know. And we don't know. We just see the video, we don't know when it happened, if it last week, if it happened last month, if it happened last year, but it brand new to we. And trust me, it don't look good upon the church, none at all. It don't look good upon the church, whether it's a Pentecostal church, whether it's an evangelist, whether it's a 7th day, whether any one of the day them. It don't look good, none at all. None at all. And that is why your sister, the people them work with the devil more than God from what they. You know, sister, the devil will win. Only no seed say the devil will win. The devil will win in every way. The devil will win in every way, because when you look and remember, say the pastor is much younger than this woman here. And the pastor man and glare and put her aground and she try fight him back because your sister was a whole together. See, the church was supposed to be a sacred place where you go worship and praise and give thanks to the Almighty. But me seeing something like that disturbed me bad. I can't like something like that. And when people decide say them want to change their life and say them want to go to church, it's like people have second thoughts, because so much people are ramping a God face. So much people are play up in a God face. Them are do so much things. Them are play up in a God face too much. Remember, you have wolf in a sheep clothing, you know. Remember, you know. You have wolf in a sheep clothing, you know. Because the church is a place where you go buck up in all different type of people. Gunman change him life. Prostitute change her life. Conman. You see me? Batman. All type of people I go to the church. Because the church away if you go forget. Cleanse. Seeing? And they say you're supposed to go. And me I hear me how them deal with that woman there. Them say I'm America. But how them deal with that woman there. And I like it. And it's like them a video the woman and the woman I try to use all her phone and yo, me feel a way about it, yeah, man. I feel that way about it. Because when we see and them go up in the woman face and the woman push him off. Feel that way about it. The pastor man go up in the woman face. Because the woman attack, yes, anybody can talk, but you don't have to touch nobody. It make you afraid for one go to church, but people believe in a God same way. The Almighty, the Creator, is real. You hear me say? The Creator is real. And a lot of people get up every day and them a pray, but them a pray for bare fuckery. See, I see one next part of the woman sit down and she try to call the police and she not even know if to use her phone because they don't know to her. It's like, so it happens so fast. It happens so fast. That's why I see the woman panic. Yo, I'm loud at here, man. Come let me get ignorant. Because you don't know, you know. From we are here about church and we are grew up in a church, not for we are Sunday school, we go to learn for even use knife and fork. I never know if them things still are going in a church. A Sunday school, we go for them teach you how to use knife and fork. And them something they don't know, but everything is a money grabbing thing. Everybody does run down money, but you don't have to remember, you know. A man make money, you know. Remember, a man make money, you know, people. Man make money. See, and money I always show with people true colors. Money I always show with true colors of people. May I tell you no. Lord apart because it doesn't make me get too ignorant. Back to that little dirty life here with the people in the internet and we see too much nastiness. We are see too much nastiness. As well, I say, yo, me can't change it, but me know say me nah go come on the internet come do certain things. Me nah come on the internet come indulge in a certain things. Me and certain people nah go. Me nah do certain things. See? I see the youth when he Cornerstone Boss say him get molested when he was 14. And the man want justice up to the day. Yeah. And I see the man put out another disclaimer what day. Man put out a disclaimer and say, yo, him no love man, he's not gay. So if he stop coming in my inbox and I look him. When the man said that, I said, John won't star, look here. The man put out him story and come like I call him, I see a fish pan him. Because the man a try to seek justice and them a claim. Oh, you have to ask the man about if him single, and how you want to help him, and how you want this and you want that, and how you test the water. Big dirty world we are living in. We have to try to save ourselves. Who can save. You remember one time Bojo said who can afford to run will run. But what about those who can't? I don't know, you know, but I run, you know. I don't want to feel like says that Jamaica thing this alone, you know. Because I can't tell you this. We get fucked in Jamaica. We get fucked. We get fucked in Jamaica. Why are we get fucked in Jamaica? I'm going to explain why we get fucked in Jamaica. When we start on followers, I remember Jamaica where them say out of many one people. Remember we used to set all of the blood clot trend them. Remember, you know, we used to set all of the trend them. You know, when everything start get fucked, from them start have this blood clot. Remember, we start from the Kardashians them. Seeing? And every girl a blood clot Jamaica skin out down at them yard, now hurt no way. Cock up and I watch Kardashian till it turn on to a rascal like this about bodies and this love and hip hop and this one bag of blood clot show where people are bring down them one another. Seeing? Then now me see them have another thing when all them say pop the balloon. Pop the balloon was supposed to be a thing when it started, supposed to find love. No love now find a who can bring down who the most. Nobody now find a love pan it a pussy clot. Cause everything a comedy now. Everything a comedy. Be a fuckery. You hear me say? Be a fuckery. And the whole of which we have phone with us because I remember, you know, the internet I want something where to suck you in, you know. And you have to know where you do feet and suck you out. It suck you in, then suck you out. And spit you out like when you eat bone. You hear me say? May I watch the whole I pop the balloon them from foreign to come all about, from England to Jamaica to everywhere. And Jamaica have the worst. Jamaica have the worst. You hear me say? Jamaica have the worst. Because if that a comedy, that means say Bill Cosby them a joke and blood clot Jim Carrey them if that a comedy. Because that a can't be comedy. Man a disrespect woman and a degrade woman and woman a degrade man. Nobody no find no love pan it a pussy clot. Nobody a find. Who can find the biggest disrespect? Who can find the biggest disrespect? And if you actually sit down and watch that for an hour, you know how much of your time that consume, you know how much fuckery that gone in your head for sit down and watch that for an hour. And when time nothing good come on, when nothing good come on, nobody now watch it. You may show no wicked no blood clot. And showing us a Jamaica done. And I fuck with Jamaica love. And the real love. Remember, you know. I see ass clot, lady saw them on live. Minister all up on live and she preach the word of the Lord. I'm going to go over there. I'm there for like about 10 minutes. I remember me I watch 15 people, 10 people. One at a time it go up to like 25. Seeing, and me I say, this woman change her life and say she had to deal with the word of God. But the people them not believe. But make she blood clot just come right now and say, all you dirty spice. One she blood clot come on and say that thousands blood clot go over there. Come see it up now much time. Thousands go over there. So that for sure say the devil a run rampant in a blood clot Jamaica. The devil a run rampant. A be a blood clot headless chicken a run up and down. Nobody now lead nobody. Be a followers. You hear me say? Be a followers. Nobody now lead nobody. When you go over and look over TikTok, a be a blood clot nastiness over there. Here be a people that talk, but Richie come over there. Remember me go over TikTok and when me look, me not see nobody over there talk. Me not see nobody over there ask clot preach no goodness. Me not see nobody over there preach no niceness. Me not see nobody over there say, yo, I motivate nobody if you get no work. Me not see none of that a blood clot going over TikTok. Imagine me here play a match and you tell me about my mother pussy big. And you tell me say me a bat him and you tell me all of that every day just so win a match. Eh? You have to tell me about the whole hand of my mother just to win a match. Me say all the next thing. Remember this, you know. TikTok is supposed to be a place of fun, or it was a place of fun. It was a place of fun. Was a place of fun. It was a place of fun when it just started out. When it just started out. It was a place of fun. Seeing? And it's a money business now. I want somebody me see TikTok done with. Want somebody me see done with because I remember say the pressure reach him and him were alright and bounce back because him have talent. And I able boss. Me see TikTok done with him. Remember, we have to be careful. We have a thing with them say them have over there, ranking. Them have a thing when them rankings in. So, who are lead on the ranking, people used to fight to go up on the ranking. See? And Able Boss was a man who used to a rank. And from him, look, our deal go on with him and the woman named Louise. I my first man me can say them cancel him. Him still do him things, him come off of the app because it's like them force him off of the app because if everybody becomes your enemy, you're not going to win over there. You're not going to play no match with nobody. But him have sense. Him find something else and go lead back. So pick up yourself. Because him say enough to kick a man when him down. Because that's how we used to as Jamaica and kick people when them down, you know. Kick them right down the ground. So when I come yourself here kick him down, we just show and say, I want big fucker place. Up there. Because when it just start, people you start playing nice and alright and go on. If you want to get corrupt, go over there. Most of the people in my rascal was friend them is no longer blood clot friends. Remember Dyema did go Sabama in our rascal where she and Rarity them and the whole of them was friend. I remember look up pussy run over one part, over one place, this one man gone over one part over this. I remember all the blood clot broke loose. Dyema and them not good again. See? Then when you look, more people just tear down them one another, tear down one another. They tear down. I may tell you something. Britney, well, I stop make excuse for Britney. We have to stop make excuse for Britney. I'm telling you why we have to stop make excuse for Britney. I understand that Britney, I got through something. But let me tell you one of the real reasons why Britney had chip. Britney was the first ranker. Britney was the first TikToker from Jamaica where we know. When Britney come out and people start follow Britney and Britney, I make the money when Britney goes up and put up and say, $8,000 gone and how much money gone and how much of this gone and how much of that gone. The people say, what? So much money over there? Because remember Britney did alright and good. You see, when Britney goes up and blood clots start fall off of the ranking and share, everybody can remember, everybody find out how it go, how the money make and how you this and how TikTok take that. Everybody does ride on Britney wave. So Britney, nah get over that. Britney nah get over that. It a badar. That a badar. See? That a bother Britney right now. Because she used to be the person where she was the top thing. Now she not the top thing again. So she got a problem with anybody will go up there. And she just feel like say everybody turn them back against her. So I look a bad mind chipping her right there so. And all I will catch bad mind when you're ready. That are the biggest bother for Britney. Remember na man. Remember say when I see that comment there a while ago. So when anybody will see them can adjust them. Anybody will see that a while ago, you don't have to pay them no mind. You know what I mean? So I'm telling you about enough of them people who come on the app. A lot of people come on the app forget attention. A lot of people, them whole life based upon this thing how we depend. So enough people come speak them truth. Enough people come tell a bag of lie for reach where them want to reach. See? But yes, sir, at the hunger, yes, sir, it's not even, I wouldn't say it's a safe space. It's just a open space where anybody can jump in. See? Anybody can jump in panda up here. Anybody can come on and come say what they want to say. See? So, that is the problem right there, so. I remember say, I still have to tell you now again. Not because you don't see somebody have a lot of followers. Seeing your independency and your privacy. Cause no, if you go stand check enough for the little youth them right now, you know. Just ask them who them idolize the man. A TikTokers them idolize. TikTokers where them supposed to create content. What kind of content I create? Be a bad mind I create. I be envy to create. Be envy because when you hear how much money people I make. Let me tell you something. I say all one time when I see, come in mind, I don't know about a lion and a whale and something. I hear me here like I see it right, same place right there, so I see it. See it? Quiet Perfume birthday when beer people give him beer, Rarity, lion and rose and them give him all kind of thing and them say him get how much $1 million for him birthday. Rebel go Sabaman. Pay money she get for her day too. And when name the Swiss League get their money. So you see the more people are here say how much people get how much land, how much people get how much whale, how much people. It's like the more corrupt people get. Each time people here say, oh, you know so much money. That man they get. You know so much money that man they get. Cause remember, you know, hear them I hear about money. Remember people are sending them money, you know. People are sending them money. But the bad mind run out in a people. Remember this again, you know. For sure, no say have some set of pussy. Not for one depend this, you know. Not all of one. Not for one some set of pussy. What if people say come on and really want help and want to start? And nobody no look upon them a blood clot. I'm see one man come on and not even call him blood clot name. Because Uno claims him funny. Every day him blood clot come on and say him no live no way. And him want help, and him want help, and him want help. How much more blood clot help him alone I go get so? Me say all blood clot foreign people, international rapper come on and how much blood clot people. Run on. And every day I still the same blood clot thing. I know you know see it which part them money they go. And yet still them say this money is a rank up on a blood clot app. On the same dirty app. This man is a ranker. I want to jump, I want to laugh, I want to blood clot talk about that funny. Which part of worthless and blood clot kill is funny? Eh? Which part of worthless and kill is funny? Unless say a real blood clot kill is dirty people that when I want to work. Eh? I want to laugh. While me soon I make fun of a blood clot stitching and I talk about we stitching money there. Half of the man upon life support. Eh? You not take your money and donate $1 to stitch it, but you not give blood clot a dirty fish. Eh? We are showing us a worthless and careless this. Remember, you know, when you feed the rascal problem, you feed the problem, feed the problem, feed the problem. Where you think you still have more problem, you not try to solve the problem, you just feed it. You just feed it. But yet still when people come out and talk here, they look at dirty pussy all them. Love them, a bad mind, a bad mind. Every time you talk the truth, you're bad mind. Every time you talk the truth, you're bad mind. Be a fucker with support. We don't support, not no good. Be a fucker. Be a fucker with support. I say why they again one little fish one. I never remember what him name. From him little him out, the man cuss him mother, the man cuss everybody in his family. And them expose him, skin out him body. Them expose him, skin out him body, and Nicky man had go up on him page and him scream out and go and they know long more you come on him ball, him want to go foreign. And him want this and him want that and him want everything. I tell someone the blood clot is what I about to know want to go foreign. And everyone I want to make it, someone I go dead for blood clot hungry. Because remember, there is no right time and no wrong time in foreign. You have to come with a A game and ready. I'm going to tell people this all the while. All of what about, oh, I want to go foreign, I want my passport, I want to go foreign. I want to go foreign. No for need to tell the people them about foreign. All over England to tell them. No for we are sending the money go give them. When I get big exploitation and rascal that make some all long time worthless people a blood clot. Avuna and a makuno. Remember one of the time I see that man I say him get a house and I say, alright. Some man I say him want to leave out of this place and now him want to get a house. This man I say him want to get a house and the man get a house. All of a sudden where the house there, how many you none of ask which part of the house there. How many you ask what the furniture there. How many you none of say none of them something there. Only just alright giving him and giving him and giving him because on the claim says entertainment. Remember when me I look and I see the house, and I see the fridge, and I see one nice place, and I see the man say, see the key here. And I see so I say, Wacky keeping it jiggy, and I say, see the key, they lock them up now. I say, alright. Bumbo clot when me look. 2 toes. No blood clot. Oh people, me need some help. Me need some help. No, me need some help. Dirty. And I look, I only can't get hype off of carelessness. Only can't get hype off of carelessness. You can't say what you want to say about blood clot Queenie, you know. You can't say what you want to say about Queenie. But you see how Queenie got to work. Queenie blood clot play fool all the while, but she ain't a fool. She just have a one man with mother her. I don't know. She love and she love hard. But that's the only problem we have with Queenie. And when Queenie now get the attention from the man, Queenie just come out and say, me lick out batty and me do everything. And just cause she want to talk. Queenie love on the talk, you know. I love Queenie love on the talk, but me not see Queenie come on pan nowhere and I beg, you know. Me not see Queenie pan nowhere come on and I beg. Nowhere. All Queenie beg for a little attention. That's all I see Queenie beg for. Zine. But a bare pussy will left boy upon the up them. Baddest thing be Amari come on upon the internet. I mean never see Amari come on and I beg it. All she says she are the queen of dancehall and she are the best thing and nobody no better than her. And nothing wrong if you are boots up yourself. Nothing don't wrong. Nothing wrong if you are boots up yourself. But them always say God will help those who help themselves. Only if you are support begging and begging for not moving. If you have a beg for reach somewhere, beg for reach somewhere. And show actually say yes so me reach. But every day the same blood clot thing, the same thing. And you go here say you're bad mind. You go here say you're bad mind and a true you don't have no followers and a true you don't make no money. You think we come on pan this and I beg. And we've been a work hard from where I look at youth. We've been a work hard from where I look at youth and we never stop work because we don't want to sit down and depend upon a body. We love work. Remember this. Any boy or girl will say them want to go anywhere foreign and no plan for go work. You go get fucked. You go right back which part you there. You go right back which part you there. Because you can't leave one country with as worthless man and then say, yo, you know, so me need a change. Me need a change, you know. Me need to go do this for myself. Me need to do that for myself. Because I remember me tell myself, if you can't read, nothing wrong if you can't read. You can't start back from ABC. You can't start back. Nobody now know say you can't read. Because the same smartphone where you take out in a video and these people, you can learn from. The same smartphone where you take up and I say, dirty batty boy, suck on the mother, where this kind of thing. How to say my ABCs and member, it starts say it for you. Same smartphone is smarter than the whole of it to pussy clot. Ever notice you go to Obama, you start saying, once you want buy something nice to eat, all of a sudden you ask school and you just start to be a restaurant and pop up in your suggestion. So, be a restaurant, you know. Be a restaurant doesn't pop up in your feed. Like, remember just think about it, you know. You know, say a blood clot smart, the phone smarter than we. And I record with. So everything I would say the phone I record with. You know, so me a plan for buy a car, you start look on car, when you look at be a blood clot car coming at the suggestion. You don't see it all the while. You don't look on the social media and see it. Anything at all you think about it come. The phone will listen to you. Money, me know say you're not going to make it in the begging business. And all that we good for beg. Remember, to be a beggar, you have to have enough patience. You have to have enough patience when you be a beggar. I mean, I have that. Now, remember as I'm telling you, and a cuss you come on, boy, you have to cuss. When I come on, boy, you have to cuss. Because a whole heap of things we see. And a whole heap of people we know where and we see where we are. Go through it. What them say October cancer awareness. Anybody where I go through any one of them things there right now. Like the woman them want to do a look mammogram or a look sonogram. I remember when up in a age now. So and the man them to just go check out on themselves because wickedest thing right now the boy when him cancer, you know. The boy there In my business how Richie is. In my business how poor you is. When him ready for come for you, him come for you. So all of the people them with them on social media, check out on yourself. Do no sonogram, no mammagram, no dadagram, all of the gram them. Do less Instagram and do no sonogram. I have to put a little humor in it for to understand. You see me? We have to take care of ourselves because guess what? When we did young, we healthy as fuck. When we did young, you know, sweet pea, we healthy. Because I tell you, so we have the most natural of everything, especially in Jamaica. We have Alex, we have Milo, we have Fasca oats, we have whole heap of things. We are the organic things we used to get. Now I be a fertilized blood clot thing where I get beer, GMO. Be a fucker where I get them, I inject the chicken, them I inject every meat where we blood clot I eat right now. You understand? So you have to check out on yourself. Check out on yourself and you have to eat as healthy as you can. I tell you people. Remember one time when we used to have to look at and say when this expire. Anybody still do that? Anybody still do that, people? Like when you're going to buy something, you look at the expired date and see how long them have this in this store. Yeah? When you buy the bread, you look at the date and see when was this bread supposed to expire. People have to do them thing there. We forgot all of what we used to do. The whole of the thing them what we used to do, like people like that. Too much micromanagement are going. People have micromanagement, a big blood clot 40, 50-year-old man and girl. All I want to still need micromanagement. Remember, you know, them say God will help themselves. God help those who help themselves. So if you not try help yourself, you think somebody are going to help you? Remember, you know, them say big and fat. Like enough people. Oh, Richie, big and fat and sour. Want the big fat sour Richie. So them class here, you know. And them slim and neat and them wear size 32 and them wear extra large and them wear medium. And them talk all them want talk. And them bash you and say anything about you. And one little thing happen and them got a doctor. And when them got a doctor, all get fucked. Same slim boy and the slim girl where you call you say you're big and sour. Because remember, you know, one thing for certain and two things for sure. All the way I got dead. And sickness are for everybody. Nobody no bigger than sickness. Big up all who never sick yet and have no terminal illness. Big up all who survive a big major illness already. Because even though we're up on the internet, remember say some things to me, some people say I wish so much things upon people. Sickness or something where you know wish that upon nobody. Trust me. Because not for we catch a little common cold and not even water we want to drink. Not even water we want to drink and we catch a common cold. Oh, we have fever, we just feel cold. Remember this, you know, people. We get so caught up in a cornflakes and blood clot cereal and we turn so Americanized and everything we see, we are drink and we are eat. Nobody no remember say the bush tea where ass clot we granny used to give it. The Cersei what we used to drink or we are used to say bitter. Them things they still about, you know. We have to drink like a Cersei same way, you know, people. We have to drink garlic and ginger worse like how when you see winter coming at the whole of foreign country, them we have to drink garlic and ginger, you know. Try cleanse out on the system, you know. Drink a lot of water, you know, every minute you not drink juice. Remember one time me and my brother catch up because I say, Richie, you know what say, me always watch you eat and when you eat, you always have to drink and eat. And I say, me can't eat and not drink. Rascal, a lie you telling. I was a dirty style. Me can't do it. Can me start do it? And on everything, pill I go fix. And everything, pill I go fix. Spend money on yourself. I mean, not talk about just buy clothes. Eat good. Yes, you buy the clothes and the shoes and all of them something there, but remember, spending money for yourself. Got the dentist, clean your teeth. Cause remember say you have to spend the money for your mouth. Whereas like us around have some honey mouth and have to take care of the mouth. Cause anything where you eat, I eat it. When you ever somebody sneeze it and when them sneeze, everything will come up from down and them toe come out and you say blood clot. Oh, that smells some man like some 10 days cabbage water, like something dead in another person there. You have to give yourself a wash out. Fruits and vegetables is always good. Bag of meat more time. Cause remember, you know, meat you don't have, you know. Meat you eat and meat. Yes, them say meat a protein, but you don't know too much of one thing good for nothing. You have to cleanse out yourself. You have to eat callaloo, get iron. You know what I mean? Enough people, enough wait until you sit down and not try say, yo, where the man where did say this there? Where Richie did say again? They know the truth, and the truth always becomes an offense. We have to take care of ourselves. Ladies, remember, go to the doctor, do a regular checkup. And the man them, go to the doctor, remember say again, as a young boy, me I say, a girl say, yo, me have a yeast infection. I want a yeast infection. Remember when you're young, you know them something. They know we have some different disease now. Because remember when me little, I gonorrhea me hear about, right? And now you hear about chlamydia, you hear about this, and you hear about some word heap or something. And this might sound away, but some woman body can keep in things more than some. While some woman are the soap. Them have an allergic reaction to it. So you must imagine if you are mixed up with different people. And man too, you know, because sometimes I go around some people and we draw them energy, you know. Sometimes I go around some people and them I go through too much. Me change up my thing, you know, because enough time I used to listen to a whole heap of people. I have to change up my thing because I realize that some people energy, it a rub off for me and put me in a bad space. Like some people just, them always I go through it and I just get ignorant because I say, yo, I would have bomb buckle like this, man. I'm just like, I start get ignorant and I say, no, say. Me did alright a while ago, but as I talk to the lady here, I talk to the youth, as like I start feeling, I get all angry. We have to protect with energy, we have to protect with space. You hear? We have to be careful of who we are lay down with, because some people are bring up some bad energy in your bed. Some bad energy come out in your bed and you can't blood clot sleep and you wonder how you can't sleep. People come in your yard, sit down on your couch. People come in your yard and everybody for come in your house, them for stay up on your blood clot veranda. Or you go to one place, go meet them. And if them are wife come in your yard, don't blood clot, make them come. You hear me say, man? Remember them something they real in a man. Just like how you have good, you have evil in a whole heap of people that walk with some unwanted spirit in a man. Some people that walk with some different type of energy where you say, John was star. It journeying. Remember say your home supposed to be a sanctuary. You have to buy incense and burn out on the yard, you know. Remember say incense and a hole behind the people. I mean nobody telling you. Incense, because I remember when we look at them, we used to have a thing in the money, house blessing, or we used to buy in one pink spray pan. Dyema attitude, me know man, them say me call your name. Me know them I gonna tell them, me tell about the dirty people, them but I put me this year, so them say me this year, you know, me tell about them. Them just message Dyema and tell Dyema say me I call her name. Remember, you know, them just message Dyema and say, Dyema, Richie I call up your name. So the dirty people, them stay. The lucky things I don't know about me say about your Dyema. Tell you know them stay, man. You just want to call them name one time. Remember, lucky things that me and Dyema good. Lucky thing me and Dyema good, I'm going to say nothing bad about her, you know. Because remember, you know, Dyema my friend long time, you know. And them know say she love cussing, you know. So them go say, Richie, I call up your name. I'm going to tell her, say, Richie, I call up her name. And she come over now, me hear, yes, she come out. Because she know, say, me and her good. And she know me not say nothing bad about her. Me and her thing. She know me and her thing. Good. Remember she there with her Rasta and she fuck on the Rasta and the Rasta fuck back on her, you know. And that alone me say about Dyema. I have nothing to say about her. Zane, The man buy her IAC and the man dig out the AC when time she and him left. You know? Man dig out the AC. The man buy her a fan and the man back a knife off a Dyema and say, you're dead more about my fan. You think you're the man come cool up with my fan? Man take back him AC and him fan from Dyema. I don't know that's how it go. Man come on and a war. Oh, you never post me yet? You know what nobody knows the me there. Yo, every Sunday Dyema show me what she a cook for your Rasta. Yo, from that Dyema never live back with a man. Don't she done it? Done Dyema done it. I tell you, them things that alone me say about Dyema. Hear about me and the Rasta friend. Should be a defend the Rasta. Your blood clot Dyema. Should be defend the Rasta and say, give the Rasta a chance. Come and buy now. Me and I Migli now. Remember me and I Migli and I said, no, Dyema, don't do that. Richie don't know where I go on. The Rasta wicked. Remember she strengthened up the Rasta, you know. How much juice she give the Rasta, how much thing and she and the Rasta their town. And she and the Rasta they all about and I make life, you know. Blood clot. Me say she never post the Rasta yet. All the Rasta some mama woke up in page. Dyema nah post the Rasta not at all. Come like Dyema know she had when him nah post a man here in moving blood clot. Him too up it up. I hype him a run down. Here Dyema Richie I hype him a run down. I come talk about me now post him. Remember, man say, alright, like come here you left. More about the AC, the man wait till Dyema asleep. I use a wire and cut the hose. Use a knife and cut the hose, so. The man cut the hose. I fling 2 stones from Dyema window. Come and buy the Dyema place grill and they thing, you know. Fling 2 stones from Dyema window. I said, Gally, you're the man that sleep in there. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Place stone from Dyema window. Dyema run out in the last. I said, better chop up your blood clot. The excitement. The people come out and say, no, you can't done. Here some girl take out them phone, you know, long more share him left. Me the blood clot girl, I like the two happy. The rest go fuck with a fat girl. Lick Dyema chip. Dyema say, me a ramp with. Oh, you go fuck that fat girl there. Remember, I know a fat girl, the rest fuck, you know. Fat girl bubble pan the rest, you know. Bubble your body for the up top bass. Then also TJ sing the song there. Up top bass, man. Dyema make TJ sing it. Bubble your body for the up top bass. Remember Dyema Ras clash, she had her cousin. She and her cousin look for the girl, for kill the girl. Remember, you know, Dyema and her cousin, you know. Bubble your body for the up top bass. I look for the girl, for kill the girl. Dyema say, alright, everything good. Me I show you how it go. No boy no more than me. Remember I be a gunman me take. I remember Dyema tell us say, I the only nice man she ever take in her life under the Ras. One nice man Dyema take. Be a gunman she take. And through the Ras and a gunman, Dyema say, me I kill him. I run him down. Man just wait till Dyema gone and have him key. And just take out the fan blade. Me never say man take fan blade yet. The man say, hey, me not take the fan, me I show her something and take the fan blade. It nearly killed Dyema in the house. Ask her, she don't lie me I tell. Dyema don't lie me I tell. The man take back the fan blade. I use a knife and cut the hose for the AC, so. Yo, remember. Dyema know me love her. Remember, you know, she don't lie me I tell you know. I'm a friend. Me and her don't have to talk every day. Dyema, I'm a friend. I only love say me a wicked and me a liar. I only love say me a wicked and me a liar, you know. I'm tell life and spice, I'm tell life and pampute. So I lie me a tell pan Dyema now. Every Sunday Dyema used to say, yeah, me I cook the Rasta dinner. Remember, a 6 pound of fish Dyema I cook. Remember the Rasta getting nice okra them and the nice something them and everything good. Me don't know where the Rasta do. Cause remember my wife post and Dyema now post him. Foreign Dyema go lick a fuck, you know. Same boy, you know. Where Dyema go fuck a foreign and him Willie, you know. Remember, you know, him, you know. I fuck Dyema, you know. I mash up the Ras chip, you know. Same man, the Dyema go Florida go fuck, you know, Willie, you know. Ragamuffin, don't be silly. Put some rubbers on your Willie. Years ago round and you don't want to catch it. Remember, you know. Willie fuck Dyema, you know. And lick the Ras chip, you know. Remember, I catch the Ras catch Dyema phone and go in there look, you know. And when him look, you know. Dyema send a pussy picture go give Willie, you know. And the Ras get corrupt, you know. Come remember she was fuck on the Ras, you know. And the Ras was some fuck a fat girl, you know. Don't bother feel like the Ras violate. And she. Remember, she fuck on the Ras. The Ras link me and I say, Richie, me tell you it go. I'm a call Dyema and say, Dyema, why you fuck on the Ras? Richie, the Ras too soft. Remember, I saw the Ras goes up and fling 2 stone and I say, me I show you something that's soft. Bloop, bloop, I fling 2 stone. The Ras gave me fling stone good. Bumbo clad. Remember, the Ras gave fling stone good. The Ras fling 2 stone. Like how you say me about me, I show you something about bloop, bloop, and fling 2 stone. Remember, the Ras take up a Heineken back like child broke it and it now broke. The Ras weak. John was there. The Ras say, I bet me kill you. See the Ras say, coom, a child broke the back it now broke. Dyema Ras the Ras. And the Ras die eye. She the Ras a fight. Beat the Ras. The Ras say, I truly love you, I can't do me so you know. She give the Ras some blood calling. I truly love you, do me anything. Do me what you want to do me. And that the Ras say, do what you want to do me. You Dyema, you swear me I tell you say, me I feel if you know bad. You have to drape me up back. Ras can't drape up Dyema. She just push him down and step over him. And be people laugh off of the Ras. I said, Jano, me hate Dyema for that, you know. Cause a good man, one good man a Dyema ever there with you. God no. Man of him care and nice man and everything. Dyema said the man too soft. She don't want a soft man. All of Dyema life I be a gunman Dyema take. One time Dyema said she a try with a good man. Yo. The rest too weak and soft yeah man. And Dyema mash up the good life of course. They shouldn't know. You know long me say Dyema say she go cook. Remember she still a cook you know. Cause she have a little pit down there she cook for you know. Remember she have a little pit where she cook for you know. She don't cook for the man again. Remember her man that jail she fly up and come look for him and she ready and thing. I don't know you know. Dyema them. I'm telling you something. Dyema head cheap boy. So when Dyema love you, she love you. I just saw Dyema stay. She just fool to bad man here man. What's when them fuck her mother? Dyema try with the next little one again when him same name. When name? Monster Boss. So she did one the name Monster Boss. And say she a go public you know. All of a sudden Monster Boss say yo him have 7 pitney. Say him must say 20 have 7 pitney. The man a fuck for him about 13. From a 13 him a breed girl. Remember you know. She a Monster Boss go up on everywhere. Them go up on stage. Them go up on ER. Them go up on Nightly Fix. Them go up on J-Free program. Them go up on Walk and Talk program. Them go up on every program. Yo, everywhere, I say Dyema sport the man like how Pampute used to sport blood clot the man from Canada. What's that she done? I saw Dyema sport Monster Boss. 7 pit the man get, yo. Every time I come remember, you know, so Dyema love them young, you know. She don't like old man, you know. Dyema just hear say, yo, him a look at 2s. Yeah, man, I'm 20. Dyema say, what you say? I'm a 40 and the old girl still look good. Come in and fling up and fuck on him. Like the fuck mad master, you know. A monster. I go and like same all of that. I try fuck the girl after Dyema give him the hype. Dyema just left him and start fuck back a next man. Yo, come remember if you ramp with Dyema, she gonna fuck you know. Remember, any ramp with Dyema, come remember Dyema the thing, you know. And him a go like him the thing. She look monster, but she never look love for him, you know. Come remember what him try fuck it back and she love him, you know. Yeah man, Dyema say, love me alone, me have my man. Me a wait for my man and lick him. The blood clot Monster Boss or where you want him. Monster Shock Crew or where you want him. 2 man, done with you. Cause him no soft, you know. Cause you him name Monster. The rest soft, but him no soft. See? But him just, I go like him want to put on beer fuck. After Dyema give him the hype, and I take care of him. After him have 7 pitney. Dyema say, but look man blood clot you. Hey, go on before I start busting up. Anytime you hear Dyema warn you first, you know. Anytime you hear Dyema warn you first. She know. She go run out. She warn him first. Monster. You hear me I warn you. Remember me all of me tough and everything do me love me and go on. You know. You hear me I tell you. When you hear Dyema warn you. Dyema remember me love you. You know me love you too. How far where I come from. And I know. I'm Dirty Friday days. Remember you know. The man fuck Isla you know. And mother and secular you know. Remember Island Dyema me know you know. Marvin, Island Dyema. 3 of them first 3 them you know from country. Nobody else never there country but 3 dancer. Isla and Dyema and Marvin. 3 dancer. Nobody know no more dancer never there in a no other country but Kingston. Remember, I go say, Isla, And Isla look good and cock up, rascal. Dyema, Isla, yo, member, Amanda Solar, a gunman, member is a gunman for mother. Mother and tell her say, no, she dance again, she dead. Yeah, man. Man say, what you think you're going to do no more artwork? You about flash no finger and a upward and a drop dead. Because remember, Dyema used to Isla, them have a style when him drop dead, you know. Remember, you know. Name drop dead, you know. Girl, you know, if you like, let drop dead. And remember, Isla go lay down and drop dead and go, flash your finger. And I go so. Then all Palian never did it too. But remember say, Palian did it too, you know. But remember say, Palian, me not too know Palian story. Me just know say, Island Diamond name kick off first with Marvin. Palian did come in after. See it? So I can't tell about Island Diamond. I can't tell a Palian story. Because I have to make up something about Palian. I don't want to tell a lie. A gunman should go there with them who have killed when I talk about that. But I know about Isla. Big up yourself, Isla. A Dyema still a hold it out for my beer, you know. Dyema still a hold it out, you know. I remember Marvin runway, you know. Remember, you know. Marvin runway, you know. Every time Marvin met the news, they say have a different baby mother came got quote. Every year the man get a girl, yo, God no. Marvin, me hate ya, man. Marvin ever in some baby mother problem. Yo, every week the man have a baby. When I hear about attitude, girl, then a Dyema attitude, man, a Isla attitude. Yo, me say, every time Marvin make the news, a girl say, yo, I don't think John Crow. Well, the girl him love him, you know, because that man no forget girl, you know. Then I'm a friend, man. I tell us Marvin them, man. Me and him good man. I tell us Marvin them a good youth, you know. All on there and beat Marvin and talk about Marvin this and Marvin that, you know. Good youth, you know. Marvin them a good youth. Good youth. You don't know. Just make him mood rolly, man. I remember, you know, Marvin them all have, they with all Fantasia, you know, when Fantasia sing, when I want to hip up on my body. Marvin, you know, bring that guy Moby and fuck it, you know. Come Marvin, you know, the artist boy, a Moby, you know. Marvin bring star girl along the man. Marvin the beast, man. Yo, God no. Remember Marvin mad girl, you know. I remember, you know. Any girl Marvin there with him mad them. Yo, come like say, yo, me like nobody from Moby, you know. Realize that thing about them. Cause Marvin mad the girl them. Dyema mad the man them. Oh that. You know, say there's something wrong. Marvin mad the girl them. Remember, you know. Marvin make a girl with name. What's she name? It's her New York or what she want name, you know, the twin them, you know. Remember I say, you know. Marvin fuck the girl and mother, you know. I remember me talk about it and the girl black me, you know. I first girl that ever black me in a life, you know. And I just show me talk the truth, you know. Remember, you know. Dubai, she carry Marvin go, you know. And carry him go all about, you know. Mind him and bling him, you know. Marvin fuck her and mother, you know. And just show me say, yo, Marvin, lick your chip and make your ball. Boy. Buckler, the girl black me. But I never lie, me did I tell. I never lie, me did I tell. Your blood clot. Then time you see Marvin go some and tear off in Marina. Yo. Marvin, where you there? Come on now, where you get the Marina there from, you know. Me need to buy some of the Marina there. Come here, I'm going to start tear off my Marina too, you know. I have to start tear off my Marina and see if it can work same way with me. Marvin will be as strong in that Marina there. Because anytime you see him go so. Like Hulk. Remember. And the hottest blood clot 40 of the year old girl me know, Dyema. Dyema, me love you. Dyema, I love you. Moby people them, me love you no. On a wicked but me love you no. Me no want a Moby girl. Me no want no Moby girl. No Moby girl me no want. Moby girl them have something about them, but them come like say them madman or something. Cause see there, Dyema left Monster Boss and from she left Monster Boss him never be the same. Never ever be the same. Never be the same from him go so and I touch him head so. And I touch him head so. Monster have a dance name. Let go the bird. Let go the bird. Let go. Remember. Dyema see him say, me like that boy. How much pitney him have? Because remember when you have enough pitney, Dyema love you, you know. Man have 7 pitney and Dyema say, eh, a lie. That means him have to can't fuck good. When Dyema hear pie. Remember, Dyema say, Mafi can't fuck with a 7 pit him get. And him what, 20? A lie you tell. Dyema say, yeah, look at toes, I need him. Dyema come and town for me say. Be a fuck Dyema game. The rest the too soft here, you blood clot rest. Me tell you, say, remember say right now, the rest are training, because I forget about Dyema, you know. Best man Dyema ever there with. Best man Dyema live with the rest. Dyema and the rest good. The rest too blood clot soft, man. The rest can't broke buckle and he can't fling good. The rest can't broke buckle and he can't fling good. That make Dyema left for me now. Because I say if he go somewhere man broke the buckle, Dyema that say, oh my pussy is wet. Dyema pussy that get wet when he broke the buckle. But he not broke the buckle because Dyema love broke buckle. Dyema love broke buckle. You think a little bit of cut Dyema them get man broke buckle. So any they go somewhere man just splash and broke the buckle. But he might try broke the buckle. So cool. See man, I try broke and the buckle now broke. The buckle now broke. Get two blood clot soft rest man. Blood clot man. You too soft man. Dyema don't want a soft man. You have to can rough up Dyema. You see me? Right now the rest are train. The rest are train right now. Remember Dyema couldn't meat game. Base steam fish and base something she game. Okra slime. I remember I don't fuck him couldn't fuck you know. I don't fuck him couldn't fuck him can't fuck but him just too weak man. Bumbuckler. Too soft man. Outside, overside, me dey on nobody's side. Me just love Dyema. Me dey on nobody's side. Me just love Dyema and just know say. Them tell her say, me a talk about her this morning. Me tell her me that talk about this morning, Dyema. Me tell her me that talk about. Me a talk about TikTok, right? Matter of fact, add blood. Dyema, oh you stay ready for can company live? Cause remember say 2 morning just light out, you know. Me give you flowers and you something. Dyema, you stay good for can company live, Dyema. You are my friend, you know. Me and have a talk every day. Me, you know me how you think go. Me, you know how it go. I want to know if you're ready for company life, because I want your company life, Dyema. I want to know if you're ready for company life, because remember, I know your thing going. You know. I just want to know if you're ready for the life, because you don't know. Dyema them real. And when Dyema them pick up for you and fight for you,
Come in, Richie, come in.
tell us that you never ready yet to come on. See it? A Dyema this. One Dyema attitude. Bumbuckler.
Richie, the business more life. Because we don't care about them have to see me rough and tough.
What you mean?
So,
I want you.
yeah.
I look good same way.
Hey, Richie, you talk something.
But Dyema, tell me the truth. Tell the people that tell a lie me and tell.
I don't lie. Richie, no, you don't hear me a comment say, all Richie can't tell my story.
First thing, remember this, you know. Dyema,
Hey.
I dance all our life. But if you don't notice, and I dance in a pay Dyema again.
No, me love.
Because Dyema, hustler. Dyema visa for every country. And Dyema is about our money. Dyema just want to go fly out.
Yeah, Richie, me go England this Friday too.
Jesus Christ. Hear that? Dyema, TikTok, one TikTok party where we see advertise.
Yes.
TikTok party this week, Dyema. Right?
No, me tell you which part of the tour you went go wrong. And then Willie, I will lock it.
I did lock it.
Yes.
Oh, I mean, mix up that part there.
Yes. Because Willie, I want it.
Willie, I want it.
Him think one Richie no film tour, you know. Him trick me and not tell me his name. I don't give you that one this year. Can put that in the catalog.
Dyema, Jesus Christ. Remember say, you know, paper. Remember say, me see that story there with Dyema. Me I say, how would that money do to Dyema? If you know, so Dyema was stabbing in the neck.
Me have to go make you put that one in the catalog, Richie.
Remember say, me and them say, you don't know the man name.
Yeah.
Them say you know the man name and you never know say the man married, have him family and the man have everything. I'm see you run out and say, me no blood clot visit, I fuck me a deal it. Me no want to name another man. I fuck me love, him fuck me good. I'm ball out and me I say, see there, that's what the people the man want name. Him got jail and I go there and ask, say, who is O'Shane Peart? The people them say, who is O'Shane? Me don't know him, you're dead.
Yeah, me ball out, Richie. Me not do birth certificate office. Me not do job interview. When I inquire about who I name, run out with you, Richie.
Yo, me say that when me say that I run out, cause one thing in her, you know, she not wrong and strong, you know. She take her beating them, you know. Right? She take her beating them. But me I tell her Dyema, you see the rats calm you. You see the rats?
Richie say, man, the rest good see me apart, said we.
You and him good, but you don't want him. You don't want him, Dyema. And then members say that man, they did love you, you know.
I'm in par still.
So you say, the rest come fix back the AC and the something them?
No, I'm not about to fix but nothing because I don't want. Remember your name, remember the part me tell you when the Ross take by the cylinder using lick me. Ross when get seriously
The
last
rest
half, man, Richard.
get strong in the last time I
Yeah,
lick you with cylinder.
I chuck the cylinder for a minute and that me out.
People, the sister don't like me, I tell. The rest got trained for Dyema and say, like what tough man you are, you're dead. I lick up a cylinder and chew up on
Yeah,
Dyema.
one night my cousin got to the yard. And the Rasta say, I don't know what you're with the Rasta lift up the food and rub it for the 2 hours.
You see it? Because the man say a roughness here deal. Because the man, remember say the man never talk loud, you know? The man
No.
not even talk loud. The man say
Richie.
Richie. The man say Richie. Dyema don't want to post me. Dyema do me a wicked thing. Dyema go and go give the fuck on me.
When we see the get in that to the Richie, so they chuck the cylinder for me. The man look at my work and I said, this looks
Look
serious.
serious like the Rasta go kill her. Because remember say you drape up the Rasta the first time. I say, hey, Rasta, you dead, you know? Don't rap with me, you know? Remember say? And the Rasta say, alright, cool out, just cool out.
I see the Ras go do something for me. You know what trigger the Ras? The Ras get mad and start telling me all of me. Me say, over 5 years still remember all of that.
See it? Me I tell you then, a 5 year, a for long?
Yes.
Secret. That's why I like me hate your cousin. Me hate cousin, because cousin influence you. Cousin influence you. Don't you cousin?
Me say, me no me go beg him to something. And me say me no know what trigger have the man. The man say me no have no time for me. I time for me woman them. You remember when they were me say, Dr. Rasta, that's why me not like it because after 5 years still come back with them arguments. Yeah.
Dyema, let me tell you what me that talk about, make them message you. Me say TikTok, right?
Yeah.
TikTok was a place where supposed to be fun. Right? It was supposed to be a happy place where everybody used to over there and run like a joke and go on, and the unity did over there. So everybody did love it. Money get into play now, and money I will show you true people true intention. Right? Because remember, you know, you did up on a team, although you always a hustle. Because you know your store and have the window and on the door.
Yeah, ready,
Right?
yeah.
Right? So every time you come on, you promote your store. You promote your store already. But all of a sudden, you go over there, so everybody just start chatting, them know say on the ramp with Dyema, because Dyema go let go her mouth.
Me not like over them so because I see me got TikTok, me get the most disrespect. Me tell you the truth, Richie, over there too turbo true money over there. Me never get too much disrespect till me go over this, so I tell you the truth.
Because me say I want somebody, them lick and lick him hot. And able. Remember that me I say, you know, because me I say, yo, able, him couldn't take the heat because the whole TikTok come down upon him. Remember, you know, I know him are the first we do something like that, you know. But you see true, everybody I hear say, Louis give Mills. You see true, them here say, him get Benz and him get...
Let me go see Louis Friday, come and take a tea.
Louis! Dyema, come to England, make sure you big up our chest. Louis! All of the something where you go on with every TikToker come to England, go meet them and give them something, because you have it.
Yeah, love you one style, but I just do. Some people just do things wrong. Let me tell you TikTok stay here, Richie. You see TikTok, the people them fight for the poor them and them something there. But guess what? I say about TikTok, what them don't know, Richie. Me say about TikTok is stay relevant. Me now run down like how them I run down. You see me tell you this. You see when they up a podium, you end up at number 20, I got over 1. To them you drop off a farm, you know.
You know hot.
But me say TikTok is stay relevant.
Sure.
But then
Remember, you know if you do, you know for her. One thing you are
yeah,
worker.
stay upon if it's stay relevant. Me not fight people, no pour them and fight for nothing. Cause you know me not care. Whenever me hustle. If me they play a game and me not get nothing, me just start ball and beg. Cause me used to be bad, is a hustler.
Yeah, you know
Me just
ball and beg.
yeah, me just start tell 2 people say help me do this. I me see now work, me love. I me see now work, me leave it alone and go in my window no store no do. Me can't bother.
So all the Christmas look for his store.
His store me get one store, you know.
Allah.
Me bill up on. Yes! But you know me have to go to the door. No window no door because I run a store, go store, me have to go up on the front. But me get my store now it done paint up. Me come back for England no more official opening.
Which part is that go there? Which part is store go there?
Again, me did have it, you know. I mean, I want a long time and one time, you know. Run across the bar and left the store. So I just lick it down and build it back. Cause it old. So I just build it back and tile it down and nice it up.
People remember, you know, God Dyema store when Dyema store open. Now the first hustler this me know in a music. Dyema my friend when always a hustle. Anywhere Dyema go, she have to hustle.
Richie, you know me walk and me they can't 2 pieces of clothes guy England go sell to me. Sorry.
What you mean?
Everywhere me what? You know me stay already, Richie, man. Only place me not
Friday, just say you come to England. See your fans them ask you when you come to England there.
Friday with your England live. Friday, this
How are you
Friday.
going there?
Raja. Me have Raja cause candy, mackerel.
Oh, that's what they keep already.
He never keep it. I mean that October 25th he keep.
That's the same show there.
Yeah.
You see that people at the TikTok of them that Raja and Cuz. Raja
And that's what
Cuz.
I like about TikTok, you know. You know, me like over there, I'll do over there bit at times. I will if I roll a canvas and chop outside there, everything. You know. That one good for me, not tell no lie. Go on with itself. It go on with it. All I go like, you know, go on with themselves and them are wicked. It go on with itself and enough doors it open with dancing never open. So me like over there, but me just not like how you get toxic, you know.
Yeah, man, over there get away, man. Over there get away. Me not tell a lie.
Put a ball. Even people are fight against one, and I tell you how they stay too, where people never believe them. You see, see them war Richie and throw down and go and buy on the internet. You see, when they see them one and then I real life a different something, but you see me now when then this me on TikTok, them can't even in a real life, coming around certain joke.
We know that. We know your head hot. But
because
what do you
want certain things about me on TikTok, I see me in a real life, I come out with Dyema want me. No, I'm for myself.
What do you
busy.
What do you go to my look and me say, you come out and I say, boy, you never did a gas to sleep party and you never see yourself on the posters. Me know say that day that show, you never really mean nothing. Me know you never really mean that. Because people don't really.
Let me tell you how you go, Richie. My name mean nothing. Me tell you, them take you a different way, Richie. Listen, because you know we are veteran and things where we see things where we go in our feelings. Me name really going to come here and focus on the shop. And you know if you come and Tony cost me all.
Yeah.
Because you have to start like 12 fee money to buy this gas and everybody, clothes, makeup, everybody. And you know me have to come out look good.
Right, true.
That's said, me now go cost me like 100,000 to reach and him something and he can do towards his shop and buy goods. But then again, me change my mind and say, try man, you like me and go car. I'm a sister, I'm a boy. Then I look Richie feeling me see when flyers come out with some TikTok. I'm in the party. Me vex. So I couldn't make me no vex. Me a star. Me no the party. Me vex. Me no care. If they want them have the head, then them have the head. Them can't talk about. Oh, the other people, much people go where we never the flyers. Well, no should be no flyers. They make sister alone see on flyers. You couldn't make me no vex. Me the vex.
You have all right for vex.
Me have all right for vex. Because I need TikTok party. I mean, Sisley party. So no TikTok I should go party. They make Sisley alone and foreign people stay party. If me want vex it up to me. It just like a very specialized thing and it look like say. Me not like him, me no business. Me talk me mind and so me stay. Who want them have me head, I don't care. Remember last year when Sisley party keep me flying from Jamaica and foreign go up there. When none of them could go in. So if me want vex, Richie, me supposed to vex.
That is true.
Spice I keep one party. And Spice I put up on the flyers, you have vex. Because me and Sisley are friend, me have vex. Me vex, no care.
But people have to understand who is Dyema still. Because remember saying, you know, anytime you say certain things now, everybody say you're bad man.
Yeah.
You know.
That them say me bad man. Oh, bad man, come and talk. But you ain't going to say, enough TikTok I go, and in the panic. They don't understand where I come from, so me don't listen to them. Them just,
we know what you mean, man.
New, them don't understand what I mean.
Why?
So me, you know, I said, then, me go kill off myself, then now. Left and we are mobile enough, we go kill myself, we go so. And then even I like me pan flyers, that even me name. Me go, me stay in my yard then. Me no business, me vex.
Come and work on the store.
Yeah, me vex. Cause last year, me alone as woman up the foreign up at system, up at TikTok. So what? Up in party, so what? I want vex.
I see the next thing over there. I may tell us I never feel good about it. When I see Shana Chin, all the two youth, them doing on the next youth, say how them have Shana Chin, I wait upon them and all, no, she not, them.
So Shana Chin fi go sit down. I mean, I'm not say nothing cause Shana Chin go like a tree in her face. Say anything we reach me be take it. Cause listen to me. A Shana Chin first, let me tell you something. A Shana Chin go over Blinga live, go bring out the people them name. Him first go trouble the people them. Shana no can't come with me attack the truth. Then the people them start beat Blinga and Blinga they listen. Shana Chin know say Shana Chin should go in the argument and leave them alone because them are probably have their own business. A Shana Chin first go trouble them. So me tell you something. You say people beat me take me beating. So Shana we just take him beating and congratulate you and live in it. Because if he ain't got trouble people man call him Richie, they would say nothing to him. All right.
Why I say that and bring it up, you know, to me know say, once you see a boy you like him, you go give him a fuck. I say you the thing. Cause I say you the thing. See?
Yeah.
But Shana Chin.
Remember say me not really going on my world. Let me try one time and me have to tell man say go on. Me go back again when you go try with Willie again in trick me not give me wrong name. So me not lucky there, so me never still have a gun town.
Yeah, if you say a gunman town, in a gunman town.
See me internet where me not lucky in it. So better me see a gun to me tried Mansa, me have to go cut run left him. Mansa here, so me I get the flat belly. Mansa say no one gonna go do body. So me just go so roam and left him and go do flat belly and come up back from the boy at.
And him still a rush off for you.
Yeah. I say go on man, come in to us do the flat belly and never want me. You tell me, oh you know one of y'all do belly. Then me go so room now and say, alright, me do the internet. Me now go back there so because my internet people don't agree. Me go so room, you know I go see the brown boy, I know I go make the boy. See me and me I go red again, you know, room gonna foreign, room young boy, room boy, get lock him up, room the people them start see me sad, room and boy gonna jail now. I'm gonna go so bad man I look for boy name now, if you go call up a jail now, room the boy no name so. Lord God, me piece out this Richie.
You with a wrong name.
Wrong.
Everywhere you go, I juke you.
No, when the boy I call every time the boy call Richie. Every time the boy I say, you can just call for correction and say the boy have to repeat his name for rapid. Every time he repeat it, now. See me about it for one. Yeah, man. You have to tell me every day. Yeah, man. 1 year straight, they tell me.
Yeah, man. Your blood clot. Yeah, man. One thing, you see, that's how you have the Rastlock. You have the Rastlock, you know. The Rasta was the year, man, you know.
Yeah, but guess what? No come on, Richie. The Rasta love. Look here, Richie. Rasta love problem, you know. You don't understand. The Rasta little bit problem. You don't know with the Rasta still. The Rasta not fight you know, before at times, you know, but sometimes the Rasta use my internet and look problem for no reason. That's the me never remember say me never used to like post man. Remember say man say the first man never come public, you know, because people never know say the Rasta man they think we used to act together, you know. Remember me not really post man, you know enough of me style that you know. Because when I post man for internet, people come in the business and try to mash up a life.
That is true.
So the Rasta problem was me not post him, but me never have to post him because me die don't do skit already one more post you want. So you want me to tag in page, me never want tag in page because me know be a girl who going to them be. I tell all the man them stay. You say no bust them, then go up on a hype. When girl run them down, they feel them a tap on a wrist. That when drop in a man's head to make him when they go on. Because kill him dead a bird, bust him and a bird at me. You know why I hear them a something and good done me.
But I don't lie. I know the bird. And Dyema. Remember tour you carry him pan, you know, you carry him pan tour pan ER on stage. Up a nightly fix, you carry him pan everywhere.
No, the Rasta. I can't go and talk about the Rasta the night. You don't know the Rasta wicked.
The Rasta nice, man. Move, man. The Rasta nice. The Rasta good, man.
All right. The Rasta good, man, you know. But you can't have me that look problem. That not make no sense by me that me work on. If the Rasta see one man come in the comment section, come comment, you look problem. You know, like him, so I black him up on me and bill 50.
Then the man not protect him property?
Yo, protect property. Yeah, property go everywhere. Richie, remember saying no, when me like man, me not really give born. Remember saying no, when I see me a new man, I left when I go take up one, because you know me not give born. Me just replace a boy, because you know, when me like boy, me not walk, me not keep
treat. Tell him to fuck on the Rasta foreign and come back and still there with him. You never left him?
No, me not, because let me Rasta, because I call like I can't be me. So me
lad, you see it? You see it? You saw me at that, but you love the Rasta, you know. But the Rasta, too soft more time. I told the Rasta now, body up.
Come and make you one drama back one. After me left man, so I go to a room. I said me go do the body. Me could tell man, so say me go do the body, because I lick up and me name want him bossy, because me want. Let the internet. So me cut go by myself now, go do my body and everything now. When I come in home time, no, me can't walk, me can't nothing. And I said, Jesus, what me go do? Me go so room back and Ras. I said, Ras, you know what I say? Me go so bam and go do my body. I mean, I know drive to pick me up here. Where you there? Me say, me I go land 9 o'clock. When I look my flight, no reach 9 o'clock, my flight reach 2 o'clock in the morning. Then also the rest of the airport for about 7:30 by the night, 2 o'clock in the morning. Rasta come about 3-4 pillar man and catch me up. Yeah, man.
Yes, you say a good man. You have to never back with the Rasta. You have to take back the Rasta.
I'll tell you the truth. Actually, people, yeah, some people talk about, oh, Dyema can't kill no man. No man never left me.
The Rasta never left you. You left him.
No, but they don't know. Say me Rasta good. Me see one of them attack. Me Rasta good enough. Good like good enough.
Yes, if I
know, every time
remember them something there. Rasta good man.
You know, so every time you come a party, I told them Rasta can. Nobody don't know him because I just Instagram people know him, TikTok people don't know him.
You hear that? Me Rasta, you hear to say, a fear man, she can go film anytime.
Rasta be human, you know. Yeah, be human, I know, you know, Richie, but me and him still good like this. Yes. See, me can't call anybody, me can't call him. Me no, you say, me do, I can't walk. I put me back, the Rasta put me do the surgery, roll me over here, every minute when the pedal hit me. Boy, no weak, Rasta, come for me back. You sure?
I saw the Rasta is strong.
Yes. You know,
he's strong, but him soft.
man, let me tell you, him no like fight, but when he get out, he will go on bad, he will go on
That's
bad.
why I'm taking the fan blade and cut the ACOs.
I'm going to monster down there. The rule was, this Rasta rule. The rule was, even if me not there, remember I said, in Barna grown at the scheme, because he come from me rent house Sydney. The rule was, you don't nobody in the scheme, and they go on a road. So me go no fuck no, I go make Mansa come now. When Mansa gone now, me go so bam and go follow Mansa go bus park and come back now. Go so room now, but me go turn on AC. Me only hear chuku 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 chuku. It that kill me. So me go so bam. I go out and do no fan blade, God.
The rest take out the fan blade out of the AC and lick Dyema chip.
And Mr. Richie is a zinc tap also. Mr. Richie eat that kill me.
Samantha dead. That's a murder for her.
Me say, me start cuss Mansa now, so me go carry the crosses on the gaffer now, me not know AC.
Mash up here and the Rasta and the Rasta have no rule. You shouldn't do
Then
that.
Mansa go to room and grown on this Rasta side, but go buy weed, you know. That there too where the Rasta live, I want shop, you know, man. The Rasta goes to room and turn up a Mansa, I want get on that move. Me see Mansa, the hustle, they come back. Me say, Mansa, where you Mansa? What a man there, you know. Come go buy weed, you know. And in the way, you know, me ask basically me just but me say, Mansa, don't go back up, yes, I go buy weed. You want weed, don't make me buy it.
So, me I tell you, say, a two good old girl there at Jamaica then. Dyema and Candy. Because Rasta and Mansa did a fight over Dyema. And when name Randy and the next man did have conversation. A two good old girl there at Jamaica. Only can't trick me.
I tell Mansa, say, Mansa come, no go back up yourself. Say, no one weed, make me go buy it. Because the Rasta problem is, and the Rasta eat man style.
Them not hate him. Them not hate him. Remember saying, no, you bring man come and cool on the Rasta AC. The Rasta take out him blade.
Hey, Richie, you know what the Rasta go do? Look, one sharp girl look almost like me. Yes. Yes, friend. So I say, I reminisce say I mean that.
Oh, you mean? But me like how you and him good still, you see it?
No, you see, but one thing, Richie, the man can trust me. I blast me, make him do something for me. I don't know what he can trip. I don't know what he can trip. Lick and give me some tour. I say, if you call him for and not type me, I type him. But one thing with him, you know, you say if me I dead, me sure me can call you.
Yeah. That how much of girls can say that about a man?
Poor. Remember Richie, remember Mansa, me live with that everything and go do surgery. I remember I go so bam, so I know. And call my phone and say, man couldn't no answer me. Remember the man answer me and come for me all the way at told in Richie. Remember me never there with the man on at all. Me left the man and go my business and a posing man. And the man goes to come at airport for 7 o'clock. So because me tell him say fly a line 9 o'clock. And the man the airport till after 2 in the early man at town. By no town no way. Wait for me catch me. If you can't go do much in Mosa, I can't walk jump up and him back and him something in Richie. That's when I care how he cost me. I have to look out for him too. But me
Give
do
the
good.
rest a post. Give the rest a post, man.
No, me
Post
say
it.
when I tell him go do hospital and go do surgery, I may have to go up, they go beat him everything and look out for him too. What do you
Post him.
you look up?
Post him, Dyema. Post him. Like how you and him there again, give him a post.
No, me can't post him and no, me know what the problem at the war.
Who want him a go war?
No, me body Rasta be woman and me I want man, me can't take the argument. Cause me post Rasta no you people go run with it. Enough time me could have video me and the Rasta when go start at this kitchen about two people no understand people levels. Them I go run with it and the blog and them I go take a piece of viral and turn it out for a different way and make it cause a problem. So we just leave
But
it alone.
the right yes or no. This is a viral right yes or. So you can post him. Him want a post. A good
Like,
man, post
me
him.
go start back. Me I go start back take out. Now me just say, love it here, man, because me can't bother with them. We anything but member Willie. What Willie have to do with this? Willie live a family for Jamaica. Me don't know something. I don't understand. You see the Rasta, I will never put nobody over him. You hear me? I tell you no. No care. Remember saying, I mean, I know if Willie faithful. Remember Willie are wicked. You know. Remember Willie tell me what wicked things. You know. Remember Willie no must come out and look my way. You know. So me no really have mind for Willie. And a liar, me the liar, me not angry. Me just a liar. Cause the man them a turn batty man. So me no really want grind. Cause me no want shit up. Cause me no free.
I like that what you just said. I like that what you just said. I like that. You hear? You hear what Dyema just said? And a liar, she loyal to the T. She just pray that some of the man them where they about the place.
Yes.
Too much bisexual man they about. And she afraid.
Yeah. Me not loyal to no man. You really wicked to me. I tell me say girl and sister. I make me say things go girl when he woman. Who not say really wicked to me. I not tell me right name. I what do know. All the things that does to me is that remember say me a gangster. So me went there with him before he got jail. So me go ride with him till he come out. That does so me stay. Me not ride with him for look good name or look him because me no want man. Me mind myself.
Right, you all in a night. You don't know one time attitude.
In a rundown man, but me tell us something. So you have one good man we always there for you. You have to respect. I me tell you something. My Rasta always. When me and my Rasta go down, him and we go broke rock stone. Me can't call him at 3 o'clock at night and say, Rasta, me crutches are at me come carry me go hospital. He not tell me no. All if he in bed with the woman, he might make the woman know so me have to carry Dyema. So you see the level of respect them and give me have to give him back the level of respect they talk.
So, me might ask you one question, Dyema. What do you think about Shalom?
Shalom, boy, I don't know what the Shalom we go sit down, you know. I don't know what the Shalom. Shalom we go sit down, can't come here. Shalom I say I clean up TikTok, but you can't clean up TikTok and feel more to nasty. You tell everybody we go suck their mama this and that. Shalom run off of me and I go tell him about, oh, Dyema go and feel crutches say really a prison, he want to turn monster out. My crutches never turn monster out list. Remember me when the face man. Yeah, I say respectfully, Dyema. You want to say respectfully, your elder. You have to come down now and Shalom look all at me.
That's what I'm saying.
When he said that Richie lick me chip right now, so me not tell lie, me not bother. Me not bother cussing because right now is a big forward. When he say respectfully is a hell, they have to come down now.
I come down now and lick you with a stone.
If you know me talk true, me say if me go argue with Chala, me all look for me a hell that true, so me just come down.
One thing yeah, always nice to a Dyema. That yeah, one thing you know.
Richie, I'm when I was me and I know my friend.
You got back. What else you got back, you know?
Close again, friend. You have to get apart. Yeah.
After you run the big mansion.
Yeah, me build another one. But I mean, remember
Lord, you see it? You can never ever your basket can yo, you man, Dyema, you're a good girl in the Dyema.
That one day, you had a big mansion when I want girls, so me can't go back there so.
And you never look back there?
No, me never. Right now, bush up here, I never look back. The bad that you want to rent.
Paper.
That you rent it.
Dyema build a blood cleat house down a mobile down a one part down there, you know. A war make you have to run with it, you know.
Cannot rent.
It's not even can rent.
No, our grandpa, listen, no. When my grandpa started and they left it, I'm finish up. Yeah, my brother will finish it up.
Somebody say you can't give it a talk.
No, me love me, man, me not really ramping mad people because me not really ramping mad people, me stay away.
So you say I just mad Brit mad?
Brit mad. Brit, let me tell you with Brit. Brit not straight mad, you know. In go and come. So sometimes he might talk some things in sick with you, know. But in go and come. Sometimes he head come back in and right for my mind. And then sometimes we go. So you say not hear Brit attack things, Brit understand everything what I say. But he mad for you, know. But you don't know people are mad but they go and come. You have a time and then come back in and then right mind and alright. Then I have another time and then chip out. But you see anything what Brit attack, Brit understand and know everything what I must say. Because I come from like no Brit know me and can't tell us. Me and Dyema come from the same place and all of that and all of that. Brit know what I must say. Let me tell you, Brit, you see Brit when Brit, tell them in a rampant Brit. You see Brit when they pan in peak of farms and kill me, and Brit come from the same place, same community. Brit not deal with me. So I'm not really deal with Brit neither. So see now like when sick and I come add me pan like me not really play with him. Cause when Brit went up in 9 levels and he pick up and Brit pit by and go like him better than you, Brit not really deal with you. So no since he mad me not really deal with him either. Cause if I never deal with me when collective, I never deal with me now because you see when Brit in that element, when he in that element, Richie Brit not deal with people. No time. I if you notice always sick, you notice he have a high level there, I him see me. I just feel like I true bad mind or like one dream bad mind I love cause people like I want to friend them in the back in them time and licking chip or do something to him because you see Brit now Brit love go like in the pan top farm and higher than you. Richie you say Brit the pan top farm you can't see Brit and can't Brit you know. First of all Brit not even a walk my love. Just in by the bicycle I walk I beat him and get the walk with it. Me I tell you them gyal on a walk you can't hear them gyal hand back big up on their arms so Richie big like this. Richie me show you Richie. When them gyal they walk through blood clot, them gyal not play, them gyal have them suck Richie. Richie that bag of me buy if you got England, me they show you Richie. When the gyal rest the bag so and stay so. She not look by you, Richie, she not look by you.
Lord,
she not
look at the time of the morning. Remember, look at the time. Look at the time and look how Dyema bed spread. We not talk about that. Dyema, remember me watch out your background, your blood clot Dyema, me watch you.
You know what I'm saying? Between me and you. My bed spread from 5:30 a morning time. I early me wake you know. Come got my bed early.
Some wake early for show. I can't sleep late. My house flat.
People have love me in Richie because you see me rich. I'm a bag full of money, Richie. I let me come and dance right. I'm a bag full of money, Richie, as me see you. Richie! I want 2,000.
And give me a logo.
Yes. I just me and me that. So people have to love me, and if tomorrow morning I live my own 100 house, I still have to sell by roadside.
Then a
See me have
hustler.
me shop.
You don't know if you do nothing more than hustler.
You
You're a
don't know.
hustler.
Yeah.
Remember you know if you survive in a diamond. Remember say from me know you're a survivor and
Yes.
everything a little bit of free. Remember say when we run scrappy them and scrappy I keep the something there. Remember when me I look for you in a diamond and I drop there and I roll in the dirt. Remember you first start rolling in the dirt and all of that pay off, you know. But
And
you get the visa.
I say I say change 10 draws, you know. Remember say I make girl can change her clothes, God. And remember say I say just up God dance and we come back with dirty, you know.
Of course.
Me
You bring the
never that.
clothes like after your work, me I
Let me
go.
tell you, I never like when Brit say about Sicily, that hurt Sicily to him. Brit understand himself and know what he say. And understand himself. Better Britney say nothing at all. Brit know what I'm saying now. But he mad for choose, you know, Richie. Not get me wrong, you know. But
We
me
know
I
the
tell
share
you, say,
go through something, man.
sometimes he head coming back properly.
We know the share go through something still.
Yeah, he might be true, man. I go through something, but on all the while he head chip. Sometimes he head. Let me tell you, you know, sometimes me tell you how Brit say. When time Brit now look like me tell you see depression. And I know real deep mad Brit having a because depression I kill Brit. Sometimes Brit is everybody I make money, I'm not make money. Chip him out.
I said that this morning.
Chip him out.
Because money I make and remember she used it there, she did it way up at the top.
If I used to something, I just see now come away, you know, depression, I know why easy something, you know. Worse if I head, no right it for a long time. I like Richie, I know easy.
Sure.
So sit with the dance, I live my name strong more while me gone already.
For real.
Remember they like a dog and tell me say me can't dance, I mean no work nothing, you know. For me they follow the market. For me they have good eye, self-confidence and them something there. And then tell me I'm ugly and this and that. Me don't look at them.
Boy, Dyema, I mean, I tell a lie. Your girl will always firm and sturdy, but you see, if I go do the piece of body and go on, Dyema, I not tell a lie. I first girl me say your body and really a sell pussy still. I not tell a lie.
I can't bother with that. I send me all and I can't bother. Me no love me tell us something. Me stay rich people. I never can't talk about Dyema can't hold. Man, no man never let me. I know say every man me and them always tight piece and talk back. So me tell you how me say if I'm there, me like you. Who stay every day, you know? Cause
You
me can't.
want Rolex, but if you're single.
No, me not sing. Me not ready for me single. One man. Not me single. Cause why? No, me not trust you no.
Rolex, she not trust you. You dirty ass. She not trust you.
A Rolex. Jesus.
Yeah.
Sorry, Rolex.
No, not tell him.
Somebody.
Sorry, we not trust him neither. We not trust you.
Rolex. Hospital boy, me think of somebody and they talk about single.
We not trust him, Dyema.
Me always see. Look here now. Richie, me not take no bosses and make nobody. Me no Winnie Mandela. Me not liar. Winnie loyal to Mandela. When Mandela come up, Mandela left Winnie Pani ears. That's how it go. How it go?
Yeah, man. Come like Winnie go give you a Mandela here, man.
Yeah. I remember so the boy when me there with a little bit ungrateful, so 100%, you know. I'm wicked. So me have to have him on the edge, yes, so. Remember me older than I grind up my days. Me not really fancy grinding again like one time, you know. Remember me older than I grind only. Me not really be interested.
This is somebody asked about where your daughter there. What there?
Don't worry about that. Worry about no business. Everything, no love people business too much.
Leave Dyema business alone.
We know what go upon me if I want to go upon it.
Right. All me say, I rest me a vote for. Me no business with nothing. Everything else where you talk, I could have care less. You know me, I the rest me talk about.
Richie, we can't want to get the rest no wrong. The rest have only for wrong bang to you know.
Me no see it, you know. Me no see it in the Dyema.
Richie, if me not throw woman of the world, me not give bone of the rasta.
The rest are good, man.
Yeah, rasta not give bone, you know.
And you making go fuck.
Self and me.
You go get when him see it in your phone.
No, me gonna find that see Jesus Christ, and me say. But you said the rasta like me tell you remember Richie. The rasta take my phone and change my code, but up to today they can't go to the phone.
Rasta alone know the code, you not get it back.
Me dash the phone because me can't go in and he not pull it.
And the Rasta know the code.
Yes.
Rasta hurt, you just deal with the phone case.
Fingerprint lock the phone, me have to dash you where the rasta serious. Me dash the phone because if me can't go in and none of we not go, he no care, he does what he dash me.
Remember when me say when I go in and me as a Dyema, you can't do the rest that. The rest that, you know. But when me say the rest
run. People come here, a Richie friend, the Rasta run. After nobody don't know the Rasta Instagram. The Rasta run, go text Richie. Richie don't know the Rasta I mean, Richie, don't be a Richie. Take up plugs for the Rasta side. But Dyema, you are wicked.
Them have to take the Rasta side because the Rasta good man. Them not sister and the Rasta do the right thing. Every Friday we used to look out for you and the Rasta.
Hey, no.
Every Friday.
The Rasta page. Here, Richie, me tell Richie lies. Richie, you too like Rasta text you. When Richie show me, I nearly drop down.
The Rasta been paid and me say, Dyema wicked here. Dyema black the man every time. Dyema say the man she black him from everything. And no post in the the man.
No, Richie. You see, let me tell you back in the day time, you know. You see, Instagram people, they love coming in your life. And you see, my Rasta like ears, I love problems. You see, true, me know stay. And every little thing going on feelings. That's why I never tag him yet. Can you could have a big page over here right now, you know?
Sure.
Me not tag him because me know stay and then go come with ears saying I something. And only love problem. And when I go everywhere, I'm still a trace.
Remember say the Rasta, you know, clean, you know. The Rasta them are the Rasta smooth. Put on in desert and come through and doesn't know say, yeah.
Yeah, Rasta have one Bob Marley pick the image.
Yeah, him come like a skip Marley.
If you ever want a Bob Marley pick name, but the Rasta man. Rasta look a bit and face. Which you don't know how that, you know. I saw one drop, you know, argue low, you know. But when you get some hot one drop, you know, I want to tell you the Rasta to me. Hey, girl, if you ever want to, me a big girl look me. But me not Richie, me not give me a big stone.
Yeah, your wicked cousin, she nah sell you out, you know.
Hey, Rasta 18. The Rasta 18, Rasta 8 because...
No, the Rasta like her. You know the Rasta like her.
You know, so we come on live and Rasta sick and we get blood and my cousin go give him blood. You know, so we come on live, one time about the blood, the Rasta not take the blood. Richie, the Rasta not take it. The Rasta not bother taking, the Rasta prefer dead. The Rasta say me not want to, the too wicked.
The Rasta say, who no deal with me too rough. You shouldn't deal with the Rasta like that. The Rasta good man. But me like how you are my friend still.
Because I love the Rasta, but me don't know the Rasta does stay because I can't kill. Should my cousin did David Patter's King. Kill the Rasta dead. And my cousin give me to monster. Because I mean, follow him go out to Patter's King, we would get monster. So that is about my cousin for.
Him nah let her go. Him nah let her go at all.
You know what? You have him up all doubt it today.
Because remember, say, if you him a got town, it's like Rasta say, if carry a got town, come catch man. And they bring back man in the scheme.
But the time I dead man, so I remember say me and the Rasta went down, mash up on the foreign argument with Lockett and the phone, you know. So when we go there, man, so me and him never there, but you know, business.
Him never left you, you left him.
No, I'm not left me be true.
Him never left you, I'll know the Rasta not left you.
Because when I go to the Rasta, say, come here, let me tell you, play it, you know, me hide up for Rarity. I go to the Rasta, I beg him to and get attitude, and I go say, remember, say me and them here, friend, me don't want no blood clot friend, if me ever friend just avoid me, no deal with me.
No, so right now, all the life, you're the Rasta woman I go here, and it all cause problem, and you're no business, right?
No, which Rasta woman, she have to go sit on one side, and me, Billy Rasta, she have to go sit on one side. She have to see me and my Rasta and go on about her business. What you mean, woman, where she go say? Me and him not there, she do me no business if she want to see it.
Pie.
Where she can do about that?
The Rasta come back home. We're in a new place, yeah? The Rasta come in there yet.
This a billionaire, me Rasta care everything come here, so you know. Before me know all the Rasta know ya so, you know. Yeah, Rasta know ya so for a foundation before you be black him go by ya so, you know. Rasta know everything, you know. So like Rasta drive truck. Come home. Remember the Rasta, listen, remember the Rasta drive truck and chill. I mean, I got a Rasta having big truck, the man can carry things and me go pay for. You're crazy. You have to carry them come up here. Me papi sure.
Yeah, the mark say Island.
Remember the Rasta help me painting here, you know. Oh, Island, they have flank card. You know, Island. Richie, me tell you, Island follow. Island really love dancing. Island prefer ear Island.
Island always a way different ear, man.
Remember, say Rasta ear. Upside of the house, I do. Remember, Rasta paint half side of it.
Rasta, yeah, man for two, man.
Rasta paint.
You and the Rasta can't left.
No, me can't. Me and the Rasta not there, but me and him good.
You and him cool, cause you don't know. The Rasta, him soon bring him close, them and say, listen, me, this is it, you know. No, he's a rider. No,
Richie is a face, the man, you know. He's a man, you know, want nobody washing clothes, you know, because he's a man where rub out him clothes with cakes up like a big man. He's not really why you washing clothes like him. Yes, him not really why you don't know him. Only thing we make you cook the food, but him watch him neat. Him like the amount of thing. Like, you know, wash this too. Like, you can't wash with but nobody not please him, mellow. So, Dyema, we have a selling nice store, you know, because I know you always have something new, you know. No, me have man clothes and man clothes. Me want to sell everything. I say me can grab the picnic clothes. Long in I go up more, but me also the money. When me come back for England, I look change. Me I try me have me say go buy some sheets that are ready for Christmas. And not come make me forget about the first week. I know my 2 bags of sheet. Me want to say me can rest to look. Me want rest every little thing. Me go see what they go on in there. But for now me have woman and man clothes.
Paper. Where they are, I don't want to mobile know your story already. So for the people them where come and mobile and don't know which party they tell them when they no Dyema.
Over the arcade, right side of the fire station, and the back where the girl himself fuck, right on the sun if you come. The man go see can buy fuck on the back part, there's some hard and around the film shop there. One of the fuck corner there. Yeah.
Run I fuck corner.
Yeah, them know where.
I don't a young cheat. I ban the cheat away to an him.
Yeah, Barney Street, the party. Them know where the man right at fire station, them can't last. Everybody know where the fire station, they rather the fuck corner. All I bought them, they walk and buy fuck round there. I remember say, I know it alone I go in there. I put one look fridge in the Richie, I rest the 6-6 jug and me 6-6 something.
That is
you
it.
Something, say anybody come by can have a drink.
Remember me have to come down there.
Yeah.
Remember say for me I sell in a Dyema. Me never see her sell it like live, you know.
Ellie buy for me already, you know. Ellie buy nice purple jeans and something and give me all my ads and something already, Richie. A cartel now for already a cartel look me cartel comedy and my name there. Me feel it to my bones, but more find the bath because I know the bath I want half a million verse in my store, Richie, me feel it.
Remember say you name Dyema and I'm gonna tell you say you are one of the first dancers. Alright. Big up Kiva because Kiva a hustler will have a store for about 10 years.
Yeah. Am I idol that, you know?
Kiva a hustler. Big up Kiva. Cause you know Kiva sells some stocking. What them name are? Tingz them name are
Stop it, as I want me don't make me a 6 me grab fans Kiva because I got England. You know me a big woman have to cover my skin.
Right, so big up Kiva. Never stop hustle. See the next hustler here. 2 hustler me know differently. Me not talk about Angel, cause remember say Angel in a this long time. I know Angel a born hustler. Angel know for hustle. But Dyema, the amount of scrape when me see Dyema jump off a place and climb in a tree and chuck off and do herself bad. And everybody just feel like say, yeah man, she gotta stuck and build up. And never that. Dyema just come hustle along the whole place.
Yeah, you see Kiva. Me say me inspire Kiva to me not. But remember say for me a 5 me I sell Redux steel and bleach. Remember my born at hustling. So my mother out the door so yeah. Remember she have a shop in here. Remember my father have in shop. So my mother come up the side of the yard. My mother yard living there.
So your father have him shop and your mother have her shop. And you have your shop.
Yeah, Richie, remember saying no, I'm mother yard.
There.
Cause of work, you know. Cause of work. But we have
Cousin have no shop. She just work.
Cause of plan to be like bar, but cause of work, cause of the merchandise.
So what is people in your family?
No, so Richie see place, sir. What if I see it good right now?
I mean, I see it, man. See it, man. Nice veranda and be something and big water tank on top. Look there.
I see the shop right there. So
I see the shop there. Oh my God, look there. Dyema shop.
Now my mother shop that.
Me know your mother shop. You can't just not know there.
No, me love your crazy. She not run certain joke.
Yeah, if you have your money, because I know she stay. She will bring you down.
Eh? She not free.
She don't want to give party there, party night. Because when I read chipping, up.
Auntie them have their shop, so me come out originally out everybody for me self-employed, so it don't make no sense. Me no know no more no about self-employed. Cause everybody for me. Me auntie them and them provide the market them with bag of onion, bag of garlic and them something. Them my 2 biggest vendor down in the market and so them provide the market with things. So that's my mother sister them. So me come out hustling family, so me just this can't come out.
When me are telling the people at them people you want to support and stop support worthless non-progressive people. At them people you want to support.
No, Richie, just let me go up on there and then beg them and tell them say, we can't buy more AC if you go in the shop. And them go something, them nah give me, you know. Them go give the boy them and clone them out. Them nah give me Richie.
Them people you want to support.
Nah give me Richie, them nah give me. I have to go so and go do. You good things and me look dancing now run left me. Bad to bad.
Oh man.
Yeah, me dancing now. Around left me look a promotion. So me just go so buy enough. I will put up one wish list and I beg people them to look something. One of me two look people them help me and buy me tie, buy me nice do Richie. Me say me go to a shop na video and come me have a number my friend. Because so the shop look good. Me buy one second hand glass case, me go paint it over in a white one woman sell me back and one look something look a rock something me come back for England with the little money me dance. Me want put them together and buy some more goods in my Christmas. And also me well want reach England. Me die on Friday come. Want do me here today I know.
Tomorrow Wednesday.
Yes, I'm going to fix up my foot on me. Remember, we now go up on the exact date.
You know, yeah.
go fix some ugly to them and fix them. You know, I see me like more. Me look homeless and I look more see me dally out.
I'm here. Then a one Dyema. Remember say Dyema all them there they attack. Yeah, gracefully. Remember say from the know you.
Next year, God spare my life. Me at 44 and looking good.
How you mean? All them say your granny and your this and your that and your that. Them they look better than you.
Young boy, them a rush me like a harbor shark. And for me know myself, I never look a boy raise my and them look me.
One Dyema man.
Remember me a man born the same day, you know. March 26 to we born, you know.
That's how you can't agree, you know, island water, you know.
But me a lucky born the same day too.
How would the bomb buckler? So anybody ready for it?
So when I
Dyema, so you talk to man about the same birthday for?
26 come and me lucky to a man so the cherry birthday, me love.
So just put 3 on if you take a picture and put up.
Yes, that we for do.
And then Willie
One
say you got dead. I remember, you know, Willie I got still alive here, you know. Them I got tell Willie about it, you know.
so what Willie can do about it? Mount a lie when tell me if you friend me up. Mount a wickedness when do to me. In lucky so me still have him back. I when the boy tell me about name this I will just search up on Google to see why boy charge for. I me they type in the boy same name Javier. I me they type in Javier Richie because you know Javier me go so by my car when I'm free. Me say
You see Javilani, you see Jehovah.
all these days they come up.
You see every day a nasty na Javier.
Me and my friend named Chris. I say Chris, come here. Who me the type in really name I not see. Me say me the type. I never know any friend. Never know it too. So that me never really feel so that bad.
Man, don't be a name and say hold it.
Think the friend name name to and tell him to hold it. Cause me rise the friend say all right. Me the friend my officer then go call the baby mother to find the name. So I never me want. So me realize I never me want in the cabinet now. Me never really feel so bad.
Hey, when you come out and fling stone, you know, you bust up people, you know, Dyema.
So me have to beat him. And then now when I look the people, you want boy come. Oh, Dyema, you let them Jamaica because you big man like you. How much of them go down with man? You don't know them. Me not walk and do birth certificate office. Me not do job interview for ask boy their name. A sex me go about.
Sex Dyema go about. A sex Dyema deal with.
Or me say, see your idle name for me every time you call. I'm calling from Chrome Correctional Center. Bro, can you ask me a call for me? The boy repeat his name. Ray. Some of the time, me take long to answer the call because repeat it 2 times. See me?
Yeah,
what?
man.
You know, yeah.
Cause now stop calling him. I have to call him Dyema, you know.
Call me, man. He have to call me. Me look a bit ungrateful when him ready. You know, ramp when him ready. Me have a look ungrateful this night. But you know, me stay ready. For me say I go ride with him. I go ride with him till everything done.
Yeah, right, man. Yeah. Dyema, the one thing we can say about you. You don't give up on people just. So that's why you're still on the rest. You're on the rest still good. I'm say, one day you try to have a monster and go up on a life with him. A monster look fire. You say, I don't want your monster. Done it there, you know. No. Fuck you, want beg me. I don't want you back in and lick him.
Monster side. When me go a monster side, monster beat you, kill him. Me not time for that.
Monster go like him want warrior.
Remember, monster not play monster war for everything. Remember, me God dance, no boy dance on me. When the night, me can't talk to monster. War we good on. So me can't bother with that.
Monster, come like your name. You live up to your name too much, you know.
Yeah, man.
You love war and the rest don't love war.
No, him love war. I mean, I like when they, I don't like something. I like when them bad, but not when they love beat. I like when them bad said no, I'm to me. They can't different. I like when they like fight. They can't bother the fighting business. No make no sense. One time, man said give me one Stevie Wonder. For me get the Stevie Wonder, I look back.
Done it him.
Yeah, man. It's
fuck your monster pie. Yeah, pie.
Show me off. The Stevie Wonder show me off, man.
When I hear pie.
Man not play with you. The man not play, man.
So,
I
birthday. I see him keep birthday.
No, I'm marching band and dancing keep. I'm marching band.
So you know go to the dance? Nah, give him the hype there. I work on the shop. Why man say you lose out?
Man say run out for me. Let me just come up with really. Man say run out for me and call a pink one and comment and say that's why I feel left Dyema I love man. Me run out back for him and change him out. When me and my TikTok we attack we had him left in speak the truth and say the girl saying go do bad the because the man no come back.
Like how you know one name Stevie Wonder, we not gonna make Dyema repeat it. We know what is a Stevie Wonder.
Don't worry about that.
You don't worry about Stevie Wonder.
Let me bring down man, so that's why I call it Stevie Wonder. You don't worry about that. Richie know one name Stevie Wonder.
Yeah. Stevie Wonder is a good singer. Make love him.
Yeah, love it. You don't worry yourself.
Yeah, part-time lover.
So you hear them attack say, oh, when the boy come out, he probably look for me. Richie, me tell you the truth, where God love you know. Remember say, Willie is a man who jump in a girl inbox. Me not really have no confidence in ability people want come out and steer and want go. You know, kind of really matter to me because I myself. The only reason why me take man friend, I just show me no side of my. So me not really matter to me who want left or who want go. Because when one door close, many more open. How much boy me have line up and line right now line up in a line and wait for me.
Right
but
now.
me not trust them. Yeah, me have me I want trailer. Me have about 15 man right now and stand and wait for me. But Richie, right now, if I see the video come out with the 3 security guard, Richie, I afraid I shall stay. So, because them not worm me out. Them not worming me out.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Wicked for the woman, them, man.
I'd rather stick with me wicked liar, man, and treat me with the name more than they go worm me out.
True, yeah, Dyema.
I feel like I'm thirsty and can't keep up. I'd rather run it back on the Rasta.
You know, so the Rasta get to see how me I vote for you. Your sister, your in rats.
No, me they tell you, say me feel like me thirsty. I really want nothing. Cause me they got 10 months now in a Richie. Me no gone. Me they got 10 months now, so me they go on.
10 months. That not bad.
10
That
months
not bad at all.
Yeah, man. 10 months me they go. You know, so next January I come a 1 year. Cause me go full out me 1 year. Me they go on, man. Cause business
Too much transmission.
Yeah, man.
But Shalom never said nothing wrong when he said too much transmission for sure.
But then the security, they're not transmission. Transmission, they the one that put on wig.
I true that too.
Them the security, they're not transmission. Me say where they me go in a one store, I want one man in a one of the guardsman shirt, you know, the poor man not trouble me, you know. Oh, boy, I don't the man, you know. You know, I come out of the store, me say receipt. Me say no come out, me buy my receipt, dirty guardsman, because they want to grind back, me start down the man.
I know star. That was it.
Richie the man, no do me not need a Richie. But you want leg on my mouth for the man.
Who does I call him Dyema now?
I don't feel them time. Me tell us me the agenda, man. Me not tell
Jesus Christ. One of them a client to call. One of them a client to call.
I make you remember my breast sleeping, I make sure my belly flat, me at already. Me have boy line up and boys, but guess on a Richie and some me do things.
I so Dyema do things.
Richie never share on my DM right now, both Instagram and TikTok. I know nothing good. Me no answer to DM, and me no like man off the internet.
Me, when me DM me I answer because I say me lost the number and I say, maybe because me no like what you talking about with you. Remember when you done the rest of me I said?
Yes.
Dyema, don't do that. The rest this. Don't call me Dyema, do that. Me no want you and the rest go through that something.
That vote for the Rasta of people, Richie never, ever. If me come out to a man with the Rasta right now, Richie Gladbach boss, me not ask you.
Then I love that. Remember say, love is rare, you know. I'm see how the man, when he talk about him, talk about in a disrespectful way. Right? The rest love you. So, me now go on like say, yo, me go see people and mash up and then I talk about. Yeah, man, a long time that we mash up. We don't like that. Because me say, happiest time that you want me mind a Dyema. You know.
When they bring me down, you know. When everybody take back my head over internet, but William, remember say 3 months straight now. Remember say if you can keep up with internet. Remember say when they ready, they bring me down like how they bring down Gracie, you know. And the man never have made over there. And remember ready when I'm down moment, but you know me not gonna show that for life. Because you know me you have to brave for life. You can't make nobody know your weak.
Yeah, man, you have to brave.
The Rasta more while the Rasta me have to call you the Rasta. So what? So I can help him. So what? Me fuck up and way. And you know, and build me up back, you know.
Then the good man that me I tell you say the Rasta good man. A good man. Me know you and him are go back still. Me know.
I say me don't know wrong things, me do nothing wrong. We help out with the lie, but Rasta we say. You don't do nothing wrong. Anybody that do that, we do wrong, we do wrong. Tap me the people get you down. How are you? Sometimes I don't want to come for life, no, because I just feel that we are. Go kick a life and go work. I want you to go work. Your money, I kick a life.
You can't make people make it go work. Remember, say a year ago, that
now, sometimes I can't bother with them, Richie. Because remember, you know, no cure me tough, me have feelings, you know.
Of course, everyone away.
Because remember one time, Richie, I say, man, the boy, with the liar money, kind of friend, help him Richie. I'm a kitchen, don't knock it, Richie. I go so bam, so Richie, and part it, and the boy, liar money, Richie, and the cook for my veranda, you know, don't make kitchen, Richie. Between me, you know, me not tell lie, you know. I go so bam and get the boy, if it's a liar money, come and say, oh God, he must suffer, nobody now run on. Because so bam and get the boy, my kitchen money, and I cook for my veranda, and Richie. And the people them start say, oh, me, I am it, you know. Look at me kitchen, no.
Look at my kitchen.
Eh? Look at the kitchen now. When they say they
look at the kitchen.
Look at the kitchen, friend.
Look at the stove. Jesus Christ.
Yes. And them
That a
cuss
one
me
thing we
out,
can say
Richie.
boy, you a clean woman. Me not even say girl, clean woman. That my ears me know you. Ears me know you. And you not keep dirty house. That a
No,
one thing we can say boy, you not keep nothing dirty.
no, Richie.
You might not put up
Look at Airbnb looking. Oh, see that Richie, nice man.
nice place. Dyema set up good and nice there. Girl can't, nobody can stand a foreign house living in
That the truth.
a
Nice,
foreign house. On have to take
nice.
a look at for Dyema and just to see there. I saw girl set up place. The decor set good.
I cook Richie. Come on, remember me can cook good. And the boy like me clean house. You know when we can work on my yard, you know one underpants left, then you reach a two, then you reach a three. So I don't really care them. So okay, all the them be and then all we take bus and them something they go. I don't really care about why because as they come here cook one cook and see the nice house, them now want to leave. So I don't really do that.
Moving by you.
Yeah, I mean I depend that.
I just the rest alone never want moving, because I never the fire him just there film part and say, yo, man.
Yeah, there's a say Rasta moving. But the Rasta they go up still. Like they sleep every night, but you know you have been yard this so. Cause Rasta being house, you know. Remember the Rasta being house, so his mother and father build him. Rasta come up, Rasta rich, you know. Rasta rich, I remember say Rasta the baddest mechanic, you know. Yeah, man, remember say every friend must get me 50,000. Remember me know about money, you know. Every friend make me 50,000 from Rasta, you know.
So,
50, I'm 60, I'm 60, you know.
let me ask you something, Dyema. What is the difference between you and Queenie?
No, man, me different from Queenie, my love.
Where
Queenie
the
will come back.
difference?
Deep, what people different, Richie. After me now come back, I come back, I can't eat. If a boy fuck, I'm fuck, but Queenie now fuck. And me cut left them. You're crazy. Queenie I come back and I cut left them. Not depend that. Not depend that, my love. I mean, if you fuck back, you can't go tell me boy you can't do what a man do to be a lady. I'm be born lady, me can't turn man. Where? I cut left you. Crazy.
Yeah. No, that at a while ago, Queenie, Dyema said she born a lady. And you're not a ball.
Yeah,
You're not a ball to no cow.
you're brighty. Let me tell you how me see Richie. You say my man give me bun, I'm gonna look back for your other boy daddy man. Lick him chip. Lick it.
Make him ball.
You can them a ball, me no ball. It's difference between me and my man them ball, me no ball. I clean the ball, but I my man them ball.
Queenie does love ball. I choose she have no fire water, man.
Me different from Queenie because so outer than some do, you know. Now my man them can't do me that. You're bright and feisty. And outer body, you can't do me that. Oh. No. Remember saying Richie, me and your day, and remember you want shoes in a me left, you know. Me have to get back my shoes in a Richie.
Allah, you have to take by the shoes?
I what you say? If me not get back my things them Richie and me, then I see they give me problem. Me start wash your clothes and my bleach about. So by the time me left, you don't have nothing for years. What do you Richie?
He's a take you back.
What you mean? What it at me? I Rasta teach me that.
Should the rest of the AC blade? I cut the ones.
Yes. Richie, remember if me there with you, so any young boy piece on the go to a big man, I feel like I'm gonna go get things. Remember me never buy really no clothes, so really no me stay becoming in. They will really feel like to really get the background of my parts. I don't know how me say me never buy nothing yet. Remember if me buy you 2 pieces of clothes because I'm a hot girl Richie, and me there with you, I see you naked. Me now go with you naked because me beard. Remember I have 2 pieces of clothes in me there, they stay around here, you know. I give me problem. Remember me not arguing and Richie, me wash them and bleach them out. So you see begins me to leave, everything bleaches, you know, and I'm going to put your back then me gone. Yeah, man.
Hey, Dyema, remember one time, you know, me there in Canada, you know, and Shabba Muskino, you have to know Shabba.
I must go over Clarendon.
Alright, remember the Shabba go Shabba man there with a big woman over there, and him know him love him close, them and think. I remember that's the name Shabba Muskino.
Fashion, man.
Remember say, Dyema the woman give Shabba 1 suitcase of all clothes, dirty clothes, newspaper, everything. Remember she say, me I bring it to airport and delay him and bring it to airport. So him get for looking at it now, him just check it out. So he reach a man manly. And Shabba open his suitcase, all clothes like dirt. In ball your fuck. In ball.
Shabba ball.
Come remember Shabba this, you know. Shabba him boss, you know. Remember nice you to like how you nice, you know. Shabba them a good you too, you know.
Every go Shabba still and big man here, Shabba still have swag, you know.
Yeah, man, a good youth, man. Remember say we know the good youth, them man. Shabba was the man from country.
Shabba must do that dance. Yeah.
Yo, may I tell you, we see some things that go on in our music.
we see something going in the music and we say Jano Star. You know, say, oh, that really and truly, enough opportunity the dancer them get like the man one them though.
Man and them, yes.
Now me see the woman one them like the last set of one them we come out. Me see them get care and them get a man to go and to do some things for them.
Well, me
The last set them when they start out.
I get nothing. I mean, I have to work my own way. I not get nothing.
You know that me say Dyema the man them.
Only, you know, say, my Rasta could have buy me car a long time. I not take the car, I tell them I not take the car. Remember the Rasta mechanic, you know. Rasta when go buy me one nice, look crowd, you know, but I buy my mechanic, you know. I never want to take the car for the Rasta, and then next thing, I him kick up, and maybe that seat, the Rasta put the trunk and take out the engine, if he start the car. Stop. Come in, but I take him, boy.
Yo, you see the Rasta? I'm my friend that. The Rasta are my friend. You can't tell me nothing. The Rasta are my friend. Because you see the Rasta,
Yes,
the Rasta will keep you close at all times. Because you know, so you're going to try to go about left him, you're not going to need him again.
Me no bother take in and me further him, me I tell you the truth. So the Rasta teach me something. So anytime the boy them feel like say me give them nothing. And no, me not really mind. No, me tell you. Me no mind no man. Me don't only thing me tell us Richie, me not give boy my money. You say if I want craving you want me walk go shop go buy. Me not give boy my money, so nobody can name me out. Me not give people my money. If you want one shirt, you make me one shirt, me go buy it myself. So you can't name me up because me no let have money. If you're coming at my house right now, you say, Mama, buy me a slip and a craving. No, but that even 100 me now you come in for somebody you go get. But walk go buy a craving and be that some stayed Richie. So you can't name me.
You not buying a clocks?
No, me not buy them their shoes, my boy. Me got to and buy so I can't give them. Crazy.
No clocks from drop top to shoes swag?
I wish clocks that. Me go look at cheap. Me go look at 7,000 cheap Air Force Respire with 2 knockoff shirt. Crazy.
I said, big up yourself in this.
Me now wear brand. What make me figure brand? Who you man? You go work and look brand. Cause all the thing me wear brand for me is my shoes. Who you man? Crazy. We don't have to that. We don't have the wholesale and take 1 6 shirt and 1 6 pants here. We do have 1 knockoff Air Force. Where they go?
I know you get a couple wear out of the Air Force.
Remember say no, me a wholesale I know. So me go down there now. All the shirt I maybe 3,000 me get for 115 bills and 1 recipe. Remember the man me take up no look bad. So when me look on them, me match them out and say, alright. If me go down a Joan Sura so I can get 215 bills or 350 bills shirt and responding because me put have like a knock off because me and him walk so then go think say hot boy.
Hot
and
boy.
Also I buy 1 6 shirt with him and 1 6 pants with 1 6. Me buy the real underpants them, you know, to catch up back the clothes. So me buy the real underpants and catch up back the knockoff shirt them. And then go look at knockoff Air Force responding foot because me buy no look at knock clothes so me don't see it. I mean my walk so I don't know say knocky. Yeah.
So, but you don't buy the Rasta shoes though?
No, come here now. The Rasta not take things for a woman. One time I buy the Rasta one Louis V shoes. Cause kind to me. And true because I remember say I take by the AC. Me go back and take back my Louis V shoes. So for that me can't give nothing more.
Glad. I mean.
I broke the Rasta. I broke the Rasta house. I'm going to go to my Louis V shoes. I put it on my style and sell it back.
Bumbo clad. That's what that man say you're rough. Me know you're rough, but me never know that say you're rough.
Yes, Rich.
That man take back the shoes and sell back the shoes. No, you're dangerous.
Almond. Go up farm up a bend down market and sell back anything when me take away from them. Any boy me buy me tell them back. Go up a bend down market go sell them back.
So people when the sister Dyema this Rasta match because I'm broke in a your house, she broke back in a female's.
No, but
I sister with them.
And the Rasta teach me something like a stay so.
You never stay so?
No, but
I saw you stay.
So me see Rasta we kid me say alright, I have to lick back to my Rasta style and 2 boy. I hold back to my Rasta style and 2 boy. I'm not play.
She no star. Dyema, yo. I don't follow Dyema, you know. Dyema is only 1 Dyema. There's never be 2 Dyema. Only she alone can stay.
No, I know them. Somebody say have to bleach them out. No, member say no. Member say the wicked, the bad man want them have to bleach out to them clothes because me can't take up because me will get beaten. But you see the one them bad now, me sell back for them, but the one them bad, me can't take back them clothes. So they one them know we bad. Me just bleach out there one the time me take it back, let me take me so me not bad. I take back the bad man and me bleach them out. So the one them bad now me take back. Yeah.
Alright.
Richie, the one them we kill me with licks, I have to bleach out them clothes, Richie.
You know what I like, boy, you know, because enough grow, you grow, like, make me see you grow to you grow. Every now and then you will run out on the internet and cuss, but
No,
you say to all you
I
use
don't know.
to cuss and go
Trouble.
on.
Only when they in trouble, me no love you, Richie, because when the pick them see me, I be the pick them, but damn, I like up, me no like when they see me that way. So me no really love it cussing like one time.
No, then I tell us, I see you grow from that. Me not see you like, I remember years, me know you, you know. I talk about Queen Love ball. I know you're not ball. You come talk about Queen Love. You're not, I
Oh,
know
like,
you're not
oh,
ball.
me cuss. No, me no ball, man, me cuss. But
You
me no
cuss
ball.
and ball for your money. Dyema, stop it. You cuss and ball for
No,
your money.
that's a difference. And I'm on the Queen here, ball.
You cuss and ball for your money. When you start ball and say, Jesus
That
Christ, after me there come and walk. Me there
time
come and walk.
one time one boy named Crackers book their carrying and not pay. We asked the man them about the dancer. They asked all of them. Me say, man, I would kill Crackers with joke for my money. Me cry, you see, Richie?
Dyema.
Me say, sir, after me went up all in the pay me, I cry.
So you remember the dance where me, you, ding dong, chicken and beer, mumsel. You remember? Them say them want beat me. After that, I go say, remember about 10 with the pan dance, you know. I'm going to say, man, and defend my money, you know. I say, yo, if me not get a deposit, you don't see me. Then, I mean, I do no ads. And them go say, send piece of the money come. And I reach, and all I will reach. And I go say, I run out in a white suit first. Because I the first girl who bring her changing clothes in her dance. Then I run out in a white suit first and say, hey, see it there? See the presentation there? More of my money now. More of my money now. And I must start ball for your money, you know. Then must start ball for your money. What them do? Fire shot out the door and the promoter dig off.
Yes.
When me hear Dyema just start say, Richie, them in a plan to beat you. Richie, them in a plan to beat you. Dyema first tell me this, you know.
Yes.
Me ding dong chicken and beer, because remember nobody not get no money, you know.
Yes.
Right? Now the like that, Dyema stick up the promoter and want fair one, you know. And Dyema alone get piece of fair one.
Yeah, me get peace I come serious and a great scene and then can't bother.
That's why I tell you, say, we go through so much already. Nobody, me can't go up on a plane now for
That's
just
why
say,
when they still sometimes I cuss about we in a dancing long time, I have selector, we not earn this. How much use they use your style or we go earn when they style we out?
tell them how much plane ride we go up and not get not
I don't
even
get that.
cent.
Because Philly already go work. I work with 15 bills. I'm going to my room, go lay down. If I the promoter have the money, when we wake up in the morning and pack my bag, not even $1. Me no say when we go downstairs and ask the people them say who broke in the room for the and the room not clean. The people them say no camera and nothing. The promoter go take up back in 15 bills and I sleep.
Yeah, man, the way I said they want to go through that, man, promoters tell him friend to stick your back and rob you, man. Remember
Promoter airport, Richie. Me go Connecticut one at that time again. They book me near to airport when me can't walk over airport. When that's done there, so then go check off and come pay me. I know me not see my flight ready. I can take me back to airport without $1. When me come back and my friend them and chat me, I say, oh, me wicked. I'm here travel. I'm in a buy them when me not come back with not even $1, Richie.
yeah, man. Take all 3 plane. One from Jamaica, go Fort Lauderdale. One from Fort Lauderdale, go somewhere else and reach. Yeah, go all North Carolina and them place there. And remember,
So long on the airport, sometimes we travel, we not buy US to buy food, we not no
hungry
money.
that kill you in the airport.
Like a dog.
You see at the airport and you want where woman name the auntie June something. That's something where the press or something. You want to buy her one of that and can't buy it because you don't have $1.
Not $1 can you not get no deposit. You're hungry like that. Your flight now come till 6 hour time. You have to lay down on the mat. Everybody eat your belly. They go wagga, wagga, wagga.
But I left you all in a hotel and say soon come check you. And I'll no hungry that kill you.
We near if you got that, we don't eat food yet. We go drink for hungry belly.
But I don't understand. Remember say people see people and just feel like say you just think a son name come. A whole heap of crosses will go through. Whole heap of crosses because you say you want a name, you have a bill name.
I nothing out of dance. That's it. Me come on TikTok, me earn a few little things. I really want dancing. Biggie, me tell you the truth. God love me. Glad how they went on TikTok. No, I mean I'm earn more than chop and stylings. Chop up my kin and stylings. That's all. Cause to we old Dyema name big and dirty wine big and don't get nothing.
Yeah, man, that's true, man. Remember say when dirty wine goes about man, Dyema them a flash them finger and I go out with a bag of things.
Friend now, for my wicked friend material now. After me and him nice and alright, I mean know him style, me still like him and no say alright, he's a man we me like. All them style me they work with it. No kill me go foreign never say bam Dyema see one show you hold this, hold that, not even that you don't give me. You never me you alright and me you good. You see me there with man sign card as a friend like that call me Richie. He said Dyema, me spirit not take man sorry. No why you do that boy whatever. Me say alright my brother, me don't me I listen to him. When you look Mataran, Ghana studio, go and chat me. The people and Mataran and send it back home, give me happy cause Mataran.
That was that. Them wicked.
Eh?
Them
Mataran,
wicked, them still the
I'm
matter
like,
and that.
Marvin, Richie, like, you call me, you know, can you have my number? And I reason as a brother and sister, and I say, Rarity, them, and I say, all right, me, I listen to you. You're gone now. God, now, studio, go and chat me now. With artists, them record Mataran, me meantime, Mataran chat on the vice, so that's in the back on here, Mataran, oh, me have the boy, I forget, man, I run out, I say, Mataran, listen, me never want to cuss him, I really go on by, me say, Mataran, listen to me now. Those who nobody's time, me come remember, you run out and go, so, Bama, I say, Dyema, and when the video come out, I two girls do boxing and on me.
Mumbo clat, I lit Mataran. Mataran run out the two boxing girl and I mean I make it.
Mataran style me big still and all me love him see me and Richie.
Yeah man, I'm Mataran that.
And if he don't put me in it, me love him still but me say me can't really beat him hard because a good man to me as something do you know. But him wicked to me but me not really beat him hard. Cause he come in a relationship and he went down next day and got chat me that will touch him a little bit but I'm a boy still.
Want to scrappy.
Scrappy there man what me put up one video with one sitting about. Me can't be side chick or Rarity. I'm going to say something about something around. Scrappy text me and say, Dyema, don't do that. Don't call him something over your name. Scrappy, I'm back. So every time I go to Florida, Scrappy wife still do me here. And Scrappy can me go. Like when I go to Florida, Scrappy live down. Okay, trouble down on Miami side. So then come for me, pick me up. Every time I go to Florida, I get my 5 days and for Scrappy. Every time Richie me go to Florida,
Man, big up
do me here.
Scrappy man. Scrappy. Marvin fuck up ways them but I go the out.
Every time I go foreign, Scrappy wife do me here. Scrappy give me my 5 bills them and come back when me they come always say far up in a lock it them side and you know when we don't Miami and Scrappy come for me every time as long as me there on a side a Scrappy wife do me here. Me and Scrappy cool anyway for everything.
Hey.
Scrappy no left me.
You know, so true enough time we not sit down and tell the people them some things we got you as entertainer for just forget name for left out of Jamaica. Remember say no you know and I easy road you know. Remember say one of the time you know promoter go stop a man book me you know me there and I say yo Richie you know say me go go me yard and get some money and come back and me there wait. So when I go stop and reach a airport remember when the flight late and I go you know. Man woman give me $100. Man woman give me $100 you know. I remember when I come pick me up from the airport, you know, when bring come for pick me up, you all chuck.
Here they. I hope
You
how we
all
keep
chuck.
do you know.
Oh yeah, say man.
I hope how we keep things then do it Richie and then now you part of that they make we friend them eat we car. So we float and come back and we not can open nobody. You hear so we mean and we wicked. I mean I come back and I say no me not get no pay. They don't believe me now Richie.
And once you go up on the plane, you know, you have to come back, come save Jamaica, you know.
Yes.
Once you go up on the plane, you drop push for every money they say you have to come back and come save the world.
Richie, me left you broke and go for and I max out my rent money, you know. And when me reach, if I could tip them in about 3 weeks, me cut a tip in that tip, me come back with, you know. Promoter say then go check up, and me not see promoter, you know.
Check off.
Promoter say me go meet them at airport, you know. Then go drop me off and maybe meet him, make one of my friends drop me off. If I meet you nothing Richie, me not turn a line, me not bother with no argument, me know me not get that line. Me just start up on the plane and ball in the Richie. Me say, I know if I want to put on them to, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm not telling them they are ball, man. That might think I with a ball, me see a ball on the road.
Man, they wicked to me, Richie, man. And you know how me work hard. And me chuck through being on them so they creep up on my skin while we worm take me some time.
Yeah, man, I only pop them in the diamond till the your video them. Remember say even when you come at town it passa. Remember say you are the one, you are Marvin them same way. Left from Mobile, come at town in the morning when the bus them are going and they are still Dyema. Can remember all of them passa video them. Are you
them promoter you too? They want you looking argument and want they video. Remember one time when Dotty man booked me in New York, you know. When I middle night when me look, me hear me door and knock. When me people look all of the promoter, why fucking they not me doing at 2 o'clock night for? Bad me Marvin because I did Marvin make me book on a show. Me say listen to me now Marvin. Tell them man every move on me do before me create excitement and video. I put them by Instagram, you know. Tell them man say I work me come and fuck me come, you know. Go on bad.
and every dancer come a foreign to sell pussy. It's rough for the female dancer them still, you know. Because when a man can't escape and survive, it's rough for the woman them, you know. Because a woman will have a man as a dancer and want to hold it, you know. And she go out there and them try to tell her, say, yeah man, we have to give this and we can't give that and them try look for fuck it. And enough of them get away there, but that man stay like that. That man rough and we cuss them out.
You tell them with that man. I say, me go on tour, so me afraid sometime Marvin around me. Me say, Marvin, me stay in your room. Marvin say, Dyema, so me now grind too, girl. Me say me free, me stay over here. So, but them ready make room with 2 bed and me yellow no grind too much. Me wait till I do it till I done. Oh, me afraid, Richie.
remember, you know. And Marvin and where them man, they have to tear off the marina, you know. Yo,
Yeah.
everywhere them man, they have to tear. And the girl them used to love him, you know, man. I remember him first lift up the big fat woman, them, you know. Nobody couldn't lift up no fatty.
Me say, me don't know, Marvin lucky with woman bad.
Him don't make him roll him too much and breed the girl them and then them want kill him.
Right now, Marvin have a new baby. My friend Marvin call me with the you know. Oh, tell me, Marvin want a new baby. Me say, Marvin, have which baby this? Yeah, Marvin, me say, no, a baby, one new baby.
Yeah, man. Every year them man they get a pitney. Sister like me I tell people. Me tell us every year Marvin get a pitney. Me tell you my friend, man.
Marvin
Not because you not see me and them for life every day, you know. Remember me and them good, you know.
Richie, remember the day before, you say, Mr. Marvin one nice, so brown, shiny eye girl looking baby. I say, Marvin, how which baby this? He must say, I say, what's that baby? He must say, my baby from Canada. I say, what you say? Like Marvin get baby in every state.
Man have pitney all about all England. Everywhere the man go, the man have pitney.
I don't know, like Marvin an elephant man in our rat race pitney. I don't know.
Probably him would have soon catch up Ellie by
Who
this.
catch up Ellie by this, me I tell you, man.
Having a good youth still.
I'm Marvin lucky if you get the girl and will take care of man. You know, Marvin lucky still, you know.
Marvin say like come live America and put himself in the system and go look at work. That me tell him for go do. Remember say, remember, you know, dancing go already. No money no depend dancing again like one time.
Money depend dancing, no money depend dancing. No. When I got me always I say, Richie, no money depend dancing. Call look for me, no. Me no, one woman call me with the and say want me don't Hanover. Me say like one over there near to me, lady give me 150, the woman. 150 me think I 50 to me say lady, go away they come because some of my TikTok are big more than that for the day. So here we up over 50,000 miss. I use it wipe your body all and dump it. You know have no man that me say lady come off on phone. That how much years me tap dancing my money. You thought I miss?
They not understand.
One promotion we do on business promotion at 30,000. Two promotion 60,000. When me do that for roll. And I'm a nice good body I know. Eh?
Worst of they do up your body and stay so.
Still roll in Richie. Me still roll because I can't come out of me and my body. Me still roll Richie.
What day? Me soon now go so no go on life at about who for body never do good and who this and who designer body no good. Designer body you go to?
No, me love me never got designer body, you know. I want to look place me did go. When they are nobody. So the people, remember the rich and the people them highlight me. Remember me, I like the doctor work. I remember me did sick with long time for me bad. Me just I want perital belly because me to take whopper perital and drink whopper lasco. So I went puff me.
Glad.